Hayi ngo bimeze bite ndabakunda cyane Richard Sankara ande uriya munsi kundi saa kuyindi ngo bimeze bite reka dutangire hayi bas mu gutangira ko dutangiye bakise ngo ikirere kurikira izina rya filime mwabantu burya ngo umwana apfira mwiterura burya mwabantu mwe ngo umwana wese apfira mwiterura na filime rero ipfira mu ntangiriro kurikira akazina ka filime hayi nuko tuyitangiye dore ngo ibyahanuwe birasohoye imbere y'amaso yanyu Sankara ande uriya munsi kundi saa kuyindi hayi mama we bakise ngo iki rero bantu mukunda filime ziri hejuru za Alien uyu munsi papa bwenge ningarukiye bakise ngo iki rero my pet dinosaur bivuga iki rero inyamaswa yanjye cyangwa dinosaur yanjye kubwira peti ni inyamaswa cyangwa ni amatungo ni amatungo itungo ryanjye dinosaur cyangwa inyamaswa yanjye cyangwa dinezoro yanjye uko wabivuga kose Sankara ningarukiye ubusobanuro nyabwo muri The Future Entertainment Sankara ande buriya munsi kundi saa kuyindi sasa mu gutangira baratwereka isanzure bakatwereka ibigize ikirere kurikira filime reka dutangira ariko arumva yanyirekanya n'irukuri mwabantu mwe numva yomba bwira ngo naratumwe mukagira ngo nababeshye nge ndi intumwa nubwo nshaje ariko sinshaje cyane ariko ni intumwa ndashaje uruhara ibondo byose ngo Sankara tuzakubona gute muzambona barababeshye nuko dutangiye baratwereka ikirere mu gutangira cyo gute cyagiye kimwe wari umunsi umwe baratwereka isanzu ry'ikirere ibyo bita kibona umwe none turabona kibona umwe zirenze nye nenye ntizakibona umwe hakurya ni isanzu ry'ikirere nuko tuyitangiye ugomba kukanyara ikindi cyaciyeho bisa nkaho ari bya bindi bita udusahane twa Alien we filime n'isi n'ikinyejana isohotse kakanya 2020 uyu munsi hey ni shyashya iracyari mwishashi we ureba ikintu giciyeho rikanza we ni twa dusahane babyita ibisahani bya bintu bya Alien ni ibisahani undebere filime nawe yewe undebere jawe cyaciyeho ni kinini ni igisahani we ni igisahani ndakibonye we reka dutangire cyaciyeho dore ngikirado cyabwatse do cyaje nanjye nkuko naje mwitado n'ibira najemo nanjye burya ngo rye bikanga ko ni Alien sasa tuve kuri Alien bura basara bya Alien twagurutse mu ishyamba twagurutse muri Nyungwe hari ibindi bintu biredunga hari ibirendukira mu mashyamba bimeze nk'ibyinuza do ibintu birenduka mu mashyamba ese ni ibintu ki nuko dutangiye gute ni mu ishyamba hey kumbe hakuno barakwereka rukweto ruhari rw'umuntu wambaye bote yaje piriza hakuno na piririza ko bigaragara bisa nkaho hakuno muri aya mashyamba rigeri cyamanutse kuko birenze wagira ngo bari kurwanya icyorezo hari imiti bari gutera muri aya mashyamba ese iyi miti ni imiti nyabaki hari imiti bari gutera muri aya mashyamba niba ari ibiti byarwaye niba ari iki gusa bayise my dinosaur yanjye my pet dinosaur hey dinosaur yanjye cyangwa itungo ryanjye dinosaur yanjye niko bayise ubundi dinosaur ni inyamaswa zacitse za kera za zamani ubu zaracitse naho wayibona ariko uyu munsi yabonetse sasa hakuno uko bigaragara tugiye kuba twatangira poroje ya nyayo umwana arigisha abanyeshuri sasa buri muntu wese aribuze ko yakorana n'umuntu begeranye cyangwa kimwe abanyeshuri ko bakorana bari hafi yabo bunganirane hakuno do n'ubunyeshuri bwarambiwe no kudutangiye my pet dinosaur hey niko bayise sasa hakuno ni mu ishuri rimwe utangiye naryo no kudutangiye ni mucikwe sasa hakuno igihe cyo gutakiragira burya amasaha
exist. Why would they visit Brightwood?
No, so mnuko jibitaza ngo bisore kirenge gitoryo cyacu cyangwa n'ishuri ryacu. Niba kuko bihari ko bite bitaza ngo bisore kirenge gitoryo cyacu. Yakabaye biza bikadusura.
Interdimensional.
Yeah, we have your mom's minivan. Definitely not a threat.
Biratandukanye mwana.
You get out of my bag.
Reba mu gikapu cyanjye saka hako no kugakonda kuba karya. Reba mu gikapu cyanjye nyuma. gakunda kurya ibijyanye n'iminywere
The Wi-Fi
bireke nyine mwana
amplifier.
izo nzeri za wifi ibintu by'ubucucu gusa biri aho ngaho no kutuyitangiye nimuciko rero bantu mukunda filime z'ibiva hejuru uyu munsi nigarukiye nimanukiye nta kindi cyabe ku ruhande
Need your skills again.
agaturage kuba kise brightwood batagihari
Come on! No waffles? This town sucks. I heard she got cancer.
numvishe ngo yarwaye afite kansa yarwaye kanseri ninde
Polly.
ni Portman
I heard this one kid got it and his entire family died. They had like these boils and pus. Ow, what was that for?
mwana w'umbite mwana uri kumuvuga amazi kurengeje umwana dore hakuno hari umwe muri bo hakuno amagambo ni make
Hey man, I bet
uwo mwana ihangane mwana
you miss him, huh?
ndabizi uramukumbuye ihangane aramukumbuye bwana ko kuno buganira ugasanga kamwe kumurikije kandi sasa Mike susuma neza mwana Mike sasa harakurya cyashonyije dinezoro
War and peace.
hari cyashonyije neza kumbe ukanya cyumvishe polisi kirabwaka
Michael Emery? It's no use running, son.
na mpamvu yo kwiruka nka musore mutoya
Unfair day.
niki arani
Here to rescue the world from the horrors of street art.
This is 3, Mike. 3
ubu
strikes.
ngubu ni bwa gatatu mwana nirindi kosa ryo rya gatatu none urapfa
I give up.
nganyambika amapingu narebe
Cuff me.
nyambika amapingu mva wamfashe narebe nta kibazo ya mu modoka yanjye yinjira mu modoka yanjye nyine ubwo nyine wafashwe iyo cyafashwe kiba cyafashwe
Get in the car.
ya mu modoka yanjye umupolisi yandi bigenda bishushanya ku mihanda ibyana y'ibinyarugomo nta kindi cyabaye bagishyize mu modoka ya polisi bagicomokane
You gonna take me or what?
I'm taking you home.
ngiye kukujyana iwanyu ngiye kujyana mu rugo
No need to upset your mother today.
ntabwo ngira ngo nze gutera agahinda mama wawe uyu munsi
Where are we?
Well, your mom's a good woman.
erega mama wawe ni mwiza cyane ndabizi ni umubyeyi mwiza
Good morning, Doris.
igitondo cyiza
Mrs. Mercher, how are
sasa misheli
you today?
wumeze utuye mu gitondo
Oh.
dogiteri
Doctor,
dogiteri we
dying.
ndimo ndumva ndimo napfa ni ukuri ndimo napfa sasa hakuno
I'm crossing over. I know I am.
Reduce your caffeine intake and try to stay away from processed
sasa hakuno urangambwa ati ibintu by'agakawa bireke
foods.
ugenda kure n'ibintu byo bikorerwa mu nganda ibiryo
I don't have the cancer.
none icyo twavuga bwo ko nta kanseri ifite muri jyewe nta kanseri ifite
No, Mrs. Mercher, you're
sasa hakuno urangambwa ati
suffering from
kandi
migraines.
biragaragara nk'aho hari umutwe urengeje w'ikiyi urugero urenze
Um,
reka amajwi kuba nakohereza sasa amaso bagenda basuzume neza
Mrs. Mercher, you're suffering from migraines again. I'm going to send you for an eye exam.
ngiye kugenda bagusuzuma amaso bakore egizami y'amaso yawe birasa nkaho sasa ugeze mu zabukuru amaso ntakireba neza nta kanseri ufite
Migraines? Oh, doctor, thank you.
yewe dogiteri we ndagushimiye cyane
How to put an old lady at ease. Thank you, doctor.
Bye now.
sasa utuma umuntu yinjiramo umutuzo ugatuma umuntu aruhuka ndagushimiye cyane
Bye bye.
yewe bayi
Think you have a fan there?
Jennifer,
yewe ndakeka ufite abafana hakuno sasa Jennifer
I have news.
sasa ngufitiye amakuru
They've sent someone.
ibi ngibi ni ibyo bohereje babyohereje burundu
Finally got their attention.
sasa hakuno kureba sasa bisa nk'aho hari amadokima hari ibyo bohereje imyaka igera kuri 2 byabaye nk'aho bitangira
Town meeting on
iperereza ryabaye
Saturday.
ariko uyu munsi muri uyu mujyi hari buze kuba habamo inama hari buze kuba haba inama
Oh, you're okay?
ndakeka umeze neza yego umeze neza nta kibazo na kimwe bamwise Jennifer ariko ndaguturi hakuno bamwise Jennifer nibwatse ku handi mwana ko nitwa tugenda muto nawe yaje hakuno bimeze bitse nuko itangiye sasa rebye hakurya ndetse akane kana gahari n'undi mubyeyi hakuno ni imodoka ya polisi Mike
Do you...
bamagambo
Hey, Mike,
sasa imodoka ya polisi Mike
do yourself a favor and stay away from that Jonas kid.
byaba byiza ugiye kuri uriya mwana bita Jonas
You should do us both a favor and stay away from my mother.
ariko nawe byaba byiza ugiye kuri ya mama urumva ajya kuri ya mama bisa nkaho polisi urupande uri hakuno we yateretaga nyina yaba byiza ugiye kuri ya mama sasa kurara agapepera kandi yewe
My girlfriend.
yewe birasa nkaho sasa uriya mukobwa
Again.
wowe ugiye kuri kusana kuri polisi
Real nice.
aha bisa nkaho ari fresh man
Stop
hagarika ibyo urimo ariko uzaza cyangwa kurikira gahunda uzajya najya kuriya gifite imbaraga byinshi
time. I'm good with it.
sasa igitego cyo ku ruhande ndetse hari akanoza gavido akagi agendana amagi ni umwana muto cyane nta kintu cyabaye nuko tugatangira mucikwe kikaraga mu cyo gikaraga mu cyo wacu inde Sankara ne future musikundi za kuyende the future entertainment musikundi za kuyende turabakunda cyane sasa kuno bisa nkaho gasokarakara kuno hari tugeze hakurya ruhari yo aje kuno abisa nkaho hari utwafite akone ko mu dufoto ndamuna muto cyane nuko tutangiye nimucikolelo yakomeje kutigeza udufoto aritegereza udufoto mw'abantu mwe areba inyubako zigiye zitandukanye iragurya mu dufoto yari afite kamwe kagira gahanika kuno nta gafoto bisa nkaho burya mw'abantu mwe nguzica umwanzi hakiri kare bisa nkaho adashaka kuzongera kubona uriya mukobwa do kugira ngo atazongera kuba yabonayo do yagize gutya ku ipiri ya nzu do ntazongere kubonayo hari agafoto hashize hakuno sasa kuno tuve kuri Jennifer yewe Arani.
Hey Jennifer.
Yewe Jennifer.
What a pleasant surprise.
Yewe sanga usana kantu katunguranye.
Business call.
Sasa kuno yamuhaye sasa business call.
It's Mike again.
Nanone Mike yonge nanone ibi byose ndiko bwa Mike nanone. Kandi twumvishe ngo sasa kuno fandi hari ukuntu we na Jennifer bagira gutya bakigenza.
It's okay, I
ariko
let him off for the final.
Namurekuye mu nyuma ariko bitewe n'isituwasiyo ihari ndagushimiye cyane.
Don't take me yet.
Nta mpamvu sasa ko bitekerezo cyanjye ngo ngushimire.
Do what I can to keep these kids out of the system, but Mike, he is really pushing it.
Okay, I'll talk to him.
Reka sasa ndaza kuba navugisha Mike. Ndaza kuza kumuvugisha. Ntugire ikibazo.
Well,
ariko
get together soon.
Birakeka ariko mu nyuma tuzi kuba twakongera tukuba byashobokana kuzongera kuba twahora vuba tukaba turi kumwe na.
Yeah, I'd like that.
Nzabikunda kuba turi kumwe ni fande do gutya abayabonye gutya yabengutse nuza mupfakazi yabengutse.
Big talk.
Sasa hakuno uranga kine kubagana sasa urikira hanga ukine cya Mike.
Michael Emery, you and I are gonna have
sasa hakuno dukine kuba twaganira
big talk.
Cyangwa Michelle Imoro
Talk.
Ine kunyamvugane nawe.
Did you hear what I said? Mike
we.
Whatever, Jennifer.
Hayo gusa kuba avuga ibiki Jennifer we gihamagaranye na mwizina.
Excuse me, I'm your mother.
Yangana kikorye ni nyoko byaye. Kiramuhamagara Jennifer. Mike.
What?
Nicyo ari kuwambwiye mbwa bari bwe cyana byigiye murabizi biba bifunze umutwe. Niki?
What? Mike.
How is Alan?
If it wasn't for Alan Faraday, you'd be sitting in the slammer right now.
All he wants to do is get in
Don't you dare finish that sentence.
Baratonganye.
Whatever.
Ibyo byiyenururo bireke. Cyari gitanya ati abizi mpamvu byose barabikora byose nuko bera ko sasa wowe naho hari ukuntu mujya mwigenza mwana wanjye hagarika ibyiyenururo itubiha kukinama baza papa.
That's right.
Yihorere.
Can't.
Togini yihorere. Mike. Amagara cyane cyafunze umutwe. Nawe uzamwibarize no bwe. Nago wakabibaza ngiyo nawe uzamwibariza. Kaza guhande. Umubyeyi hakuno yabyaye ingegera. Bibaho ukabyara umwana akakuranira. Sanga wibyara igifunga mutwe.
Jake.
Yewe Jake.
Here please.
Ngwino hano nakwinginze. Jake bakwise Jake.
You might tell me what this is?
Sasa hakuno ibi nibikira.
My report card.
Asa hakuno ni birote yanjye.
I gave it to you last week.
Anaye guharika icyumweru giciyeho.
That's funny, because this
Sasa birashimishije.
one just came in the mail.
Sasa iyo niyo sasa yabashije kubatuka kuri email bigaragara ko ingeri yo nyayo. Iyo wamaye icyumweru gishize ni birote ya fake ni birote kiwani.
It's Charles's handiwork, I presume.
Umwana anafatwa.
You gotta hand it to him, he certainly has talent.
Akuno sasa dore ngina aravumbura ko icyana cyamaye birote ya fake.
Right.
Waba biziki. Mwana waba biziki. Yewe ndakekura ki.
A man. 1 week.
Icyumweru kimwe.
If you're having trouble, you
Bwana ushobora wajya mibazo.
I have
Basa uri bushiko wakwambwira.
trees.
Ntago wari kugenda unyira ubwire cyanoza cyamaye kenke gufashe n'ibyo byose cyaragufushutse.
I miss him too.
abizi nayo ndamukumbuye nayo ndamukumbuye urabizi icyo urakizi nayo ndamukumbuye.
Yeah, I'm sorry, Mom.
Babarire mama.
Don't let Mike see that.
Uza kubyereka Mike.
Things.
Yeah. Ibyihorere nta kibazo. Uza kubyereka Mike. Nakindi cyo ku ruhande. Hari abandi bana bashaka. Ye mwana. Yeah. Baje apara kutugare hakuru mu ijoro. Bisa nkaho batajyanwa na Keza. Yeah. Bari bahakurya. Bigira kurya bitana amabuye hejuru. Komeni kuri ka Jake. But no show. Yewe mwana. Bigicucu mwana.
What are you guys doing here?
We're going to.
Murakora cyangwa basore. Tujya kujya mwanya mu ishyamba mwana.
Come with.
Urajyana natwe.
Mom got my view report.
Baruzi ko mama yamenye birote yanjye y'uyu mwana.
Really? What
Yavuze
did
ibiki?
she say? Could
Yavuze ibiki mwana?
you tell them apart? Dude, she was pissed.
Mwana yarakaye cyane mwana. Yarakaye afunze umutwe.
Informant confirmed the coordinates. There were sightings.
Informant. Who says informant?
He means creepy chat room guy. Shut up, Max.
Charles,
Fungura ngo mwana Max.
I just told you I'm
Sasa hakuru buranga
around it.
You told
Bamwe nababwiye mwana.
totally did, but listen, I have a plan.
Dufite umupango mwana.
We go there,
Dufite kuba turiyo.
check it out, and come straight back. We'll be an hour tops.
Turakoresha isaha imwe.
What if it's totally legit?
Turakoresha isaha imwe.
I'm famous.
Dude, no one makes money online.
Turaza kuza ko twabona amafaranga menshi mwana kuri online. Kuri za YouTube.
British camera guy does.
It's true, he made like millions.
Turaza kuba twabona za miliyoni mwana n'imikino. Turaza kuba twawukina we yabonye za miliyoni. Natwe mu mukino turaza kuba twawukina.
Mom finds you guys here. I'm
Mama baramutse babonye.
dead.
Napfa mwana naba n'umupfu baramutse babonye.
Hurry up and get down
Come on.
here so we can go already.
Kuguruka nyine niba dufite kuba twatinda dufite kuba hakuno.
Totally.
Simon cyane isaha imwe.
Okay, coming.
Narebe ndaje mwana ndaje. Ni isaha imwe tujye ko twakoresha ubundi ndaje.
Where are we going exactly?
Here.
Sasa hakuno turajya hehe sasa byafashe karita ku ruhande n'abana. Tawo nuko n'abana. Yewe murakora ibyo hakuno Jake. Yewe.
God,
Bakize Jake.
Abby.
Hey.
Sasa urunga habo bamwita Abby.
We're going to the forest.
Ubu tujye ko twajya mu ishyamba. Byiza cyane.
Long.
None nangeragena namwe cyane.
Oh.
Ntacyo bitwaye.
It could be dangerous or something.
Byaba ari bibi cyane mwana.
You might get dirty.
Waba umwanda mwana haba arimo imyanda n'iki byose uri waza gusa nabi. Sibyo ngo twagena nawe. Yeah.
Sounds like fun.
Ariko sinkuzi rwose biryoshwe ryo rashimishije.
I'll grab my bike.
Nanjye gafata igare ryanjye nzi.
We don't get girls.
Ntabwo ngiye nkunda abakobwa man. Ntabwo nkunda kubana n'abakobwa.
Aliens.
From Venus, especially pretty ones.
Yeah.
She's
Ariko mbona umukobwa ni mwiza.
okay.
Ndabona ameze fresh.
Well, she better keep off.
Nagatangaza uriya mukobwa mwana. Byatangiye kumuganiraho. Bijye mu mashyamba byafashe amagare bijye mu mashyamba. Ni mu ijoro nk'uko abana sazi z'ijoro bajya muri Nyungwe. Bana bajya.
Ready?
Uriteguye. Twendereye naribi. Uriteguye twendereye. Nakindi cyaba ku ruhande. Bana baje muri Nyungwe saa 6 z'ijoro. Nijoro mu kabwibwi. Yeah. Kuza muri Nyungwe mw'abantu mwe ni nijoro. Ni ikibazo.
Please, come on.
Basore muze mwana.
So what's he looking for?
UFOs.
Kugira hakuno baje mu mashyamba.
Charles, how much further?
Mwana mwavuze gutura igihe kingana iki?
Said we'd be an hour. It's been like
Mwavuze ngo isaha imwe none sasa none ku ruhande.
30 minutes already.
Haciyeho iminota 30 turi hakuno turi kugenda. Nta nubwo turagera iyo tujya mwana.
This-
None ngo isaha imwe. Yeah.
It's seriously creepy. What if we get seducted by aliens?
It's abducted, moron. Seducted's when you get a girlfriend.
Hey, what do you call an alien with no eyes? Alan.
Aaron. Oh my god, Aaron.
Get it? A-L.
That's a dollar.
Mwari bibireke mwana ibyo by'amadolari ni ibiki?
It's kind of a thing with us. You get fined $1 for bad jokes.
Yeah, Max was like $100.
Guys, this is totally it.
Basore muze hakuno mwana.
Dylan, set up the cameras.
Sasa mushiro za kamera mutagira kuri za kamera. Bagiye ko bakora kubakora ka video bazabona amafaranga kuri za YouTube. Bazabona za miliyoni za YouTube.
Did you check the sensors? I don't want to miss anything.
Relax.
Nta kintu kimwe dufite kuba cyabona. Twabona tuza mwana. Ntugire ikibazo. Nta kintu dufite kuba twabona ku ruhande.
I think I dropped some candy.
Mwana uko nataje karate yanjye mwana. Kugira ngo urya byo kanyereyemo. Ibintu bimeze nk'ibinuza bikweduka. Ayayaya. Gukatisha karate yako.
Wow.
Bega.
You're beautiful.
Bega ukuntu biri byiza byatari.
Capillary action.
Kugira hakuno ni ibintu biri kujojoba. Kagize gutya kapushe bya bintu biri kujojoba bimeze nk'ibinuza kabishira mu ishashi. Ibi turabijyana.
Or something.
Bafashe muri bya bintu bijojoba barabijyana.
Anything.
ntihagire ikintu kimwe ko mwakora mwana.
Only got enough charge for one
Nta
flight.
kintu kigomba ko mwakora hakuno.
All I got.
Is he always like this?
Charles?
Charles,
He just gets like that with his UFO stuff.
Max!
Snax irihe mwana? Sasa Snax irihe?
Max!
Max we! Koya Max nawe. Nazibonye mwana. Kugira ngo cyane byaturitse. Gicucu.
Well, that proves there's no intelligence.
Sasa hakuno kabuze Snax ku ruhande kukazibonye. Yeah, nibwo tukwande. Hari undi waje hakuno agira ibyo atsimba. Ni mu ijoro. Kugira gutya hinjiye mu bandi Disney kakane kari kagiye mu ijoro kandi n'ubundi bwana ugeza ku ruhande kugira filime.
You're in deep trouble, young man.
Nanone ugiye kwajya mu bibazo mwana wanjye. Mwana muto. Kana kagiye ijoro kumbe kugira mu rugo kasaze nyina gategereje.
Jake, your
Jake,
friend Abby's here.
inshuti yawe Abby iri hakuno.
She says you have a project due.
Sasa hakurikiza nyakuno yoyije muri mufitanye ngo poroshe da. Mufitanye umushinga.
That's why you're doing schoolwork on a weekend. Thanks so much, Mrs. Emery.
Ndagushimiye cyane Emery.
It's not due to
Come on, you gotta.
Yeah. Sasa hakuno ngo ni bwa homework n'iki byose bwana bubike ababyeyi. Sasa hakuno dore byazanye bya bintu zabijugunye hakuno.
stuff.
Hari ibyagaje gusuzuma. Binure mwana, ngwino nebira hakuno.
That.
Nibyo bwakuye mu mashyamba. Mwana zikatani ibinye mwana. Nakari bya nyabyo. Kujya gukenebe neza kumbe kurebamo hasi. Arareba neza. Kumbe bisa nkaho ikiri hakuno cyo kiri yuburura. Icyo kibenye hakuno.
I did some preliminaries.
Bisa nkaho amabara agenda yihinduranya.
Hey, Dad.
Ndakumva pa.
Sure.
Uri mukuri.
Okay.
Sawa.
I gotta go.
Mfite kuba nagenda.
Go from here.
Sasa ibyo nitwa byagura hakuno.
I can't do that stuff.
Ntabwo ari kugira ikintu bikoraho. Ni just stop.
Follow my notes.
Sasa usigara wita kuri izo note nanditse hakuno. Ibyo ugiye ko wakora unagendera ku byo nanditse hakuno ngo mu rupapuro. Nibyo urakora. Ubigendereho. Uragendera kuri ibyo nanditse hakuno. Yeah. Sasa kugira ngo uryare ibyo yabonye ku ruhande ku rupapuro. Ati ibyo uraza ko wakora wowe uraza kugira kongera kuri urupapuro nanditse hakuno. Nacyo nicyo ku ruhande. Yeah. Bimeze bite? Bifashe bite?
Jibber jibber jibber. Jibber jibber jibber.
Hey guys, what's up?
Ye musoma meze bite mwana? Niki?
Totally bust.
Sasa ku ruhande we barasore mwana.
Epic. I just mixed a
Sasa nafashe
frappuccino
mfata sasa frappuccino
with fries
ipanga na fries.
and it tastes like waffle
Uzibijya biro mwana. Birarenze mwana saka nanga kukikondera ibijyanye n'imirire.
stuff like the
Sasa mwana yakoreye amafaranga kuri online menshi.
found
Natwe tugomba kuba twabinye ukuntu yabikoze mwana. Yakoreye amafaranga menshi sasa ku ruhande sasa.
Radio Shack. Wait,
None agiye gusata batwo twagira ikintu tuvuga kuri Radio Shack.
they said
Wapi mwana?
I'm looking for it.
Ni ibyo cyane n'igisirikare mwana.
Like it's
Hari
top
ikidasanzwe mwana, hari ikidasanzwe bari kuvumbura.
gives you superpowers. Are you for real?
Nabizi ni ikidasanzwe cyatanga imbaraga zidasanzwe zirenze.
I gotta go.
Mwana. Ko hari icyo bavumbuye cyo kuba cyatanga imbaraga. Ko cyavumbuwe n'abasirikare.
Told you to stay at Dad's room.
It's mine too.
Narakumva ntabwo bakobibaza muri iki cyumba cya data.
We gave it to both of us.
Ariko iki cyumba cya data njye nawe yarakiduhaye.
Yes.
None ibyo ni iki?
Potions for your little
Birasa nkaho zitereka kuba inshuti yawe kakizanye.
Leave it.
Ntabwo ari inshuti yanjye ariko umukobwa wapi.
bitch going here.
Stop.
Sasa none birakurikirana. Turabifata kigira ujye kirabikanda bya bintu byakuye mu ishyamba birenduka. Kibicira hasi kirabita.
To be such a
Now,
dick.
now.
Koze ibiki mwana?
Language, Jake.
Get out
Igimenye uburyo ururimi.
of my room.
Sohoka mu cyumba cyanjye.
Have fun with your
Sohoka mu cyumba cyanjye. Hari ibyakanze bakuye mu mashyamba byaguye hakuno hasi. Rubazi ibyari byo gusa birarenduka njye nuko nibonye kunde byaragiye biguha hakuno. Buriya nuza do. Amenye nuza. Amenye amata byaragiye biracumba. Byaguye kuri byane birenduka imaze kurenduka. Ni mu ijoro. Bya bintu biranduka bakuye mu mashyamba dore ngo biramanuka. Bimaze kumanuka gira gutya bisa nkaho hari ikidasanzwe cyabaye ni mu ijoro bisa nkaho hari ikidasanzwe cyabaye mu ijoro haza Jake arebe gutya ku ruhande arebe ibijya mbere kureba gutya hari ibyaminitse bino ni umwanda byabaye irabu arebe neza ibijya mbere kumbe kujya gutya ariko wabonye kidasanzwe yewe yakarabaye hari icyavuyemo muri bya bine biranuka hari ikiremye bisa nkaho ari dinezoro yiremye karabaye hari dinezoro yiremye kureba gutya bya bintu birenduka hari ikidasanzwe cyavuyemo abana hari ibyo bagiye bahuzahuza bisa nkaho hari icyavuyemo kugira gutya karagenda kugira hakurura ka dinezoro gato kugira gutya ari ukahungiye kugira gutya kararunguruka yewe dore ngo umwana batungurwa hari icyo waremye bya bindi abantu bakubagana hari icyo baremye ku ruhande kidasanzwe kugira gutya ajugunye ikibombo niba ari ikibombo sinzi numva nzi icyo ari cyo kugira gutya karihumuriza ni ka dinezoro kajya karakurura uri ikintu nyabaki ngwino hakuno ibintu ni sawa ngwino hakuno karasatira ngwino byose ni sawa ngwino hakuno ngwino kera gutya burya ngo utunyamaswa natwo tugira gutya ngo burya inyamaswa ivutse mu maso yawe inyamaswa nyinshi zikunda kuba zaturuka mu magi iyo ipfunguye amaso ukabona bwa mbere na mbere ntibukeka ko wayibyaye hakuno karari yewe karanarya disi bisa nkaho ari icyo abana baremye sasa ngiye kuba nakwita Magnus yasa akita Magnus we
Magnus, that's what I call you.
Magnus ni ryose ngiye kuba naguhamagara Magnus yasa akita Magnus yasa akabatiza izina yewe gasore
Pleased to meet you.
ni byiza gura nawe nishimiye gura nawe Magnus iratangira do kwayikise Magnus kadire kwenda kuri yasa akita Magnus kuhande hasa Magnus kuhande ibintu gitsene okay ntugire impunge Magnus we ibwatinze umwana
Wake up!
Jake kanguka
Look at this room!
Mana nyangasa ni cyumba cyabaye umwanda
Like a dump!
ni umwanda gusa ni ibiki
Are you listening to me?
uranyumvara
You would have this place spotless as soon as we come home. Am I clear?
Okay, sorry.
Get
abarire mama haza karangara kuri cyumba cyose kagigize umwana
meeting.
uranga wenyine wagiye mu nama
You.
uri hehe yatangiye gushaka Magnus yakise Magnus reka dinezoro yabonye ya Magnus dore ngarayibura
Maybe I dreamed it.
byashoboka yuko byari inzozi tu narotaga yageze ko Magnus zari inzozi bitabaho byanyabyo hakuno sasa kaje kugira ku ruhande kagesohoka kajyanze gafunga umuryango yewe kuba Magnus zari byanyabyo
Jake.
yewe Jake ko wari Magnus ranoga wizo ko Magnus noga Jake reka dinezoro kwani akajyanye wabo
Jake.
yewe Jake fata ka dinezoro ayishura hasi nakara ka dinezoro
Not kidding.
ntabwo ndimo nakina mwana fata ka dinezoro gira gutya kigo nyipfa mu muhanda wote gereka abantu bakuru baceho cyo ni gifunga mutwe yewe kavuze induru ni ka Magnus ka dinezoro nikade nezoro mama shenge
Stay.
hagarara hamwe cara hakuno hakabwira ngo yicare ku ruhande ufite amategeko ukagenderaho
No, stay.
nakubwiye guma hamwe kagume hamwe nikagenda
Hey, I'm coming back.
ndagaruka mu nyuma byose ni okay Jake naje yaje yewe uransize bo kagyotse disikare wakabyaye burya ikintu cyose iyo kivutse maso yawe kikiri gito vuba nabinginze
I'm not feeling too well.
numva nameze neza mama
We're fine 5 minutes ago.
urabizi iminota 5 iciyeho wari umeze neza
I know.
none iminota 5 iciye aka kanya nibwo waba uhuye n'ikibazo
I just started
Ariko ubu ngubu
Feeling bad.
numva nameze neza mama
Maybe I should stay home.
nkeneye kuba naba ndi mu rugo niba bishobotse naba ndi mu rugo nagiye ahantu
Crowded, so I can't go.
You
kuri njye numva ahantu najya
go where I tell you to go.
nakubwiye turagenda
Hurry up, I'll be late.
ahubwo tugera papa winjira mu modoka nakererewe njira mu modoka bana bikiye babaye muti nijya ashaka kujya kwiga sasa hakuno kadinezoro turi gukariyuburura hari ukuntu gahindo ntabwo ubibonye kariyuburura we do urebe karongera gahinduka umutuku kubera ko dinezoro gira gutyo do kariyuburura hakurya do kari kurunguruka mugeraho hakurya do yaritsemba nyina uri mu bitari kuri mu biki mama nawe ngutegereza urabona sasa ikihe cyaramusezereye
You're in deep trouble, young man.
yewe kwinjira mu bibazo umusore ayaya
Morning, everyone.
gitondo cyiza buri umwe gitondo cyiza
Epidemiologist with the
sasanga EPA
EPA. Now, I've been tasked with the investigation
sasa hakuranga bakomeje kuba bakora iperereza
of a possible disease cluster here in Brightwood.
Brightwood ni igitoro cyo ni kitoro kirakono
Now, please
turabinginze mutuze turabizi
answers, and I'm
mwabizi mufite ibibazo
here to find those answers.
ariko urende hano kugira ngo sasa tube twashaka umuti w'ibyo bibazo sasa kuno tugaruke kuri noza Agnes ahiri kiragurika itangira gutembera inyubako Agnes itangira gutembera inyubako ni dinezoro
couple of nights back,
urabizi sasa hakuno hari ibyo twabonye mu gidasanzwe
me and Will, we were fishing,
ubundi twebwe sasa hakuno turi hano nk'abarobyi
and
ariko
we caught some.
ariko hari twafashe kidasanzwe sasa nikaza ko imbere hari kidasanzwe twafashe
Me
kidasanzwe
and Will, we were fishing,
ubundi twe turi abarobyi turaroba hari ikintu twarobye
and
ariko mu kuroba
we caught something.
hari icyo twafashe kidasanzwe
A monster.
ni inyamaswa twafashe uko bavuga inyamaswa imbere na kazungu hakuno ni inyamaswa hakuno yagaragaye bisa nkaho satani jeko yiremeye kuba inyamaswa du yaje ku isi yaba n'abantu dinezoro inyamaswa zari zaracitse abana bonge baziremye basigaruye yewe abana b'abantu ni hatari inyamaswa zirakurasha ku buryo ushobora kurya nk'umujyi wose wa Kigali kabumara ubundi kano cyane koroneri
Ladies and gentlemen,
bagore namwe bagabo
my name is Colonel
yewe uri ahangaha ni koroneri
Douglas Roderick. I'm in command
Douglas Rodrick
of operations
yewe asanga ni komanda wa operasiyo
at Fort Bright.
uwo muri iki gitore Breakwood sasa byatangiye kugafata umva wa muginga we gira gutya dore ngo karakomanukira butosho yewe parikingi banzisa Come Agnes.
The military is here
Igisirikare
to protect and serve.
kiri hano kugira kubw'umutekano wanyu nk'abasirikare turi hano kubw'umutekano wanyu
We are committed to working with the EPA.
sasa tukomeje kuba twakora na EPA yewe ndo n'umwanda aricyo tugira ngo tukubaze ngo hari ibinyamaswa byamanukiye isi bagira ngo umenye ibyamanukiye isi ibinyamaswa hari inyamaswa idasanzwe twabonye
Brightwood.
baturage muri Brightwood.
Imagination is a wonderful thing.
ibyo ngibyo bisa nkaho sasa ari ibintu abantu bitekereza bidasanzwe ni ibintu bitekereza happy ntabwo ari intekerezo ni ibintu bibaho
Love to believe in mythical monsters.
none namwe mutangiye kwizera muri ibyo ko ari inyamaswa
No mythical monster.
ntabwo ari inyamaswa isanzwe ariko
Right here.
turabifite hakuno urumva icyo twarongeye turagifite hakuno kugira ngo mubyemere ko atari inyamaswa isanzwe twarakibonye kureba sasa nicyo bakuyemo mureba we abantu barikanga mureba hakurikira hakuno aza hakuno akadakajya kabaye gakobaganya yewe
Gentlemen,
bagwaye namwe abagabo
that's a catfish.
kimwe cyo bagaragara sasa kari catfish
Catfish?
catfish
That ain't no catfish.
iyo ntabwo ari catfish ni ubwoko bw'amafi ntabwo ari ifi iyi isanzwe
Flapping around and changing all kinds of colors.
ikirangacyo gihindura amabara yacyo ntabwo ifi gihindura amabara yacyo ariko ikirangacyo gihindura amabara kiriyuburura
That ain't no catfish.
iyo ntabwo ari catfish ntabwo ari ifi
That one was flapping around and changing.
iki ngiki buri mwanya gihora gihindura amabara yacyo
It was super weird.
biragaragara none ko ari ikintu kidasanzwe ari kidasanzwe iyo kuko kira ntabwo gisanzwe umva sasa rero turetse kuba twavugana sasa na polisi turi ko twakora ubushakashatsi tumenye ikintu icyo ari cyo
Of course, Doctor.
hamagara sasa no kubwerekanya abadogiteri icyo kintu baje kuba bamenye icyo ari cyo
Hey, no, wait a second. I want to sell that on eBay.
barakijyanye
You please call me if you see anything like this again.
Sasa kuna hili kitu mutasanzwe mubona muzahamagara abahiriza business card.
Hey, Abby.
Yewe. Abby.
Hey, Mrs. Emery.
Sasa uranga hawe ni Emery.
Hey, Jake.
Tina Jake.
Tansy, Jennifer Emery.
Sasa nje banyita sasa Jennifer Emery.
The clinic.
Ngaba ndo muganga ngaba sasa ngura kuri kana akanoza akavuriro kirikira happy yawe.
Actually, we're neighbors.
Kandi n'umuturanyi wawe.
I'm so relieved you're actually here.
Yes, hi.
Isanzwe muri cyo turegeranye cyane.
Jennifer,
Yewe Jennifer rero.
look, can we chat later?
Birasa nkaho twakererewe dufite kuba twagenda. Mfite kuba nagenda Jennifer kurana yewe. Akareba kuno. Yewe gashaka no kurisha. Nikade na zoro. Yewe gira gutya karamanuka.
You're spotless.
Parking zabaye nabi. Zabaye mbi. Kumeza ngo kamaka. Magnus. Atagatsimba nagira ngo bakabone. Kwa Magnus aragatsimba. Magnus.
You kidding me?
Nango ndimo nakina. Apura koro cya televiziyo. Uzakora.
Michael Emery, this house looks like a crime scene.
Izo ndi hakuno wagira ngo habiremo ibyaha. Wagira ngo bakuremo ibyaha. Tugiye papa.
They took that thing those fishermen caught. Why?
That's what I want to know.
Dad.
Papa.
Stay in the car.
Wewe guma mu modoka mwana nabibazo byinshi guma mu modoka. Sasa hakuno bisa ngo bakurikiye kano. Bisa ngo bakurikiye kano. Rone.
Dr. Tansy.
Sasa hakuno Tansy. Tansy.
We lost. Can I help you with
Bisa nkaho wibuze.
something?
Hari kitasanzwe ngo nagufasha na. Rero kano.
Communication back there.
Brightwood. Ni giturage.
Looks like a storm's coming, Fred.
Birasa nkaho sasa meze nka serwakira. Birasa nka serwakira. Icya kano. Ruhande. Icya kano.
What's all that about?
Yavugaga ibiki?
Dad.
Give me your phone.
Ima telefone ye mwana wanjye.
Abby, phone.
Abby ma telefone yawe.
Abigail, you promised me that you'll leave your
Waransezeranyije
location service.
utazigera ukoraho sasa ibyerekezo cyangwa kimwe ahantu uri ukaba uri ufite nka telefone ukagaragaza icyerekezo umuntu yaba kubuza ukamenya ahantu uri.
Have your phone with you at all.
Wasezeranyije ko namwanya n'umwe uzigera ubikora.
Promise me.
Abby nsezeranya.
Okay, I promise.
Nagusezeranyije ngo uzigera kubona kuri location.
On.
No.
Papa mbwira ikinyambere nanjye ntabwo mbizi.
That sure as hell wasn't a catfish.
Ndabizi neza sasa kiriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe bafite. Iriya ntabwo ari ifi isanzwe ni ikintu kidasanzwe.
Vocal command, such as good boy. Show your pet that you're pleased with it.
Kurane katangiye kuvunja. Imana utaruka mwana katangiye kuvunja kagiye kuruka byanga byakunda tu. Kagiye kuvunja kuba. Dore akantu karakura umwanya muto cyane tu. Yewe. Dore ngo kirakura. Karabaye. Dore ngo kirakura. Dinezoro ikura mu mwanya muto cyane. Yatangiye gukura mu mwanya muto cyane Dinezoro.
Hey Jake, what's up? Where's your
Niche mwana.
The camera's dead.
Look,
Sasa bisa nkaho kamera yapfuye.
we're going back to the forest.
None tujye kuba twasubira mu ishyamba.
You gotta come with.
Turagenda nawe mwana basubire mu ishyamba.
Okay, dude, chill.
Charles, I gotta go.
Charles mwana bireke mwana. Charles umuhamagaye. Kugira ngo ukore amafaranga kuri YouTube. Yeah. Ukamera yapfuye.
Hi.
Yewe bite.
Hey.
Yewe. None.
So, science project with
Sasa akoresha ko bakomeza kuba wa mushinga wabo.
weird sludge stuff?
Oh, no.
Yewe.
No, I can't.
Nago byako. Usubise neza.
I'm fine.
Cyameze neza nari bito.
What was that?
Nibyo byameze.
What?
None.
Oh, the huge crash that just came
Ndumva bisa nkaho sasa kiri gusunika.
from your house?
Bisa nkaho ari kandi ibyo ngibyo byo gusunika ariko mva by'urusaku biri guturuka mu nyubako aho ngaho.
Nothing.
Ntacyo kirimo.
Gotta go.
Sasa rero.
Bye.
Bye.
Jake?
Yewe Jake. Kumbe Jake mu nyubako afite ikidasanzwe kirimo. Afitemo Dinezoro Jake.
Hello?
Yewe. Yabuze kera. Jake afitemo Dinezoro. Jake.
Here.
Urakora icyanga.
What's going on?
Gira bijyambere hakuno.
You have to swear not to tell.
Banza umbwire rero sasa urahire ku Mana umbwire ko nta muntu uzabibwira.
Tell what?
Uzabwira iki se kandi?
Swear.
Banza urahira.
Listen,
Swear.
Rahira banza urahire.
Okay, I swear.
Ndahiye ku Mana. Nta kintu ntago nzabibwira umuntu n'umwe nganyereka rero ndebe icyo. cyagurane karikanga kumwiza medani.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Sasa rero hakuno ntabwo cyangwa kwabaza nta n'imiri ryacyo. Yagiye kumurika ka Magnus. Yikanzemo.
It's okay, he won't hurt you.
Ntabwo yakubabaza.
Whoa.
Magnus urukundo ugira gutya kwihinduranya do.
Here's the thing. You know a little science experiment?
Sasa bisa nkaho sasa ni bya bindi twavanze
Doing chemical
vanze za kimiko
analysis stuff.
bimwe na bimwe ndabivanga none hakuno dore cyavuyemo.
Something happened?
None ikidasanzwe cyabaye do. Shaza kuvuga uyu byaba bintu twavanze byose byandi twavanye mu mashyamba narabizanye hakuno gira ibyo byivanga na za kimiko zimwe na zimwe none dore byavuyemo.
We gotta show my dad.
No.
Dufite kubyereka data. Oya.
No way.
Oya nta bundi buryo twabyereka data.
You can't. No one can know about it. They'll take
Nta muntu ngomba kubimenya.
no way and they'll do tests on it.
Niba arimo kubimenya bazagira umukuru y'isuzuma mukuru bya test ibintu nk'ibyo ngibyo bazamutesha agaciro.
But you don't know what it is.
None waba uzi iki?
It might be dangerous.
Bisa nkaho sasa kizaba kibi. Kizaba kibi.
Look at him.
Mureba neza Magnus.
Does he look dangerous?
Urabona agaragara nkaho ari mubi. Ari se kibi. Karareba disi ni keza. Ni ka Magnus kifite agasura nk'akazungu disi nari biryako.
He is kind of cute.
Yewe biragaragara ko ari ikintu cyiza. Ni cyiza kirashimishije.
Well, little guy.
Yewe gasore gato.
Looks like you just became our research project.
Yewe uyu ni umushinga wacu kweli. Yewe dore ni ikiviriyemo. Mwana yagise Magnus kandi ni Zoro. Sasa hakuno hari igikomeje kugenda gishushanya. Hakuno hari byakanagiye do. Hari byakanagiye bidasanzwe. Kwanya polisi yumvise polisi. Kumbe kugira hakuno njugunye sasa hakuno do. Ibinyamaswa bikomeje kwirema. Hari kiri inyamaswa cyapuyemo do. Inyamaswa ziri kwirema cyacyo tudasanzwe tuzi. Sasa hakuno hari polisi yakoze ku ruhande kugira filime. Polisi Fandi yageze ku ruhande.
And I'm just here trying to do.
Here, officer.
Gentlemen, what's the nature of the military presence here?
Sasa kuranga buri basa kirabasika bari hakuno.
Here, officer.
Every day. Yeah.
Really a civilian matter. Mind telling me what's going on?
Kwiri bitambere.
Of course.
Cyane rwose. Sasa ni cyakano.
Commander, I'm just here
Ngomba kwa kumenya mu mategeko.
trying to do my job.
Gukora hakuno kuba nakora iby'inshingano zanjye nk'umupolisi nkarinda abaturage ngurana ngurusho kose nkamenya ibijyambere. Niyo mpamvu gukora nabi nanjye ariko ndi kano. Niba ukora ibyo byose nka polisi nyine hakuno nyine nka colonel.
It's Colonel.
Byose ndiko bikora kubera nka colonel.
Take it from here, Officer
Faraday. Kuba mwisi. Faraday.
Keep up the good work, officer.
Komeza gukora akazi kawe kandi ugakora neza.
Where's Mom?
Mama ari he? Ndimwita yose kandi. Yeah. Mba nawe uhari yagiye mu kazi. Saza kuwane hari abakomanzi. Bajya kureba no gukomanga uwo ari we.
Man.
Yewe.
Mom's gonna be pissed.
Kandi rero kureba gutya.
Who are they from?
Yaza munani. Zindabyo zo ziri na Friday. Friday niyo wabizisanye zindabyo. Gira gutya zijugunya hasi. Bijya muri puperi birabyo uri amagaba. Ifande wahaye mama indabyo.
Snitches get stitches.
Sasa hakuno ngomba kwamenya imbwa imwana. Joy. Nindara.
Later, dork.
Yaze kwiga. Fata za ndabyo zishize muri puberi azeza ntakono. Hari abakomanzi.
Oh, hey.
Yewe. Komya kujya muri kadenezo. Yewe, kare gukura vuba.
Grown a lot.
Yewe kare gukura birenze kabisa.
I've been thinking about what he might be.
Sasa za ndabyo gatangira kuzirya kuko byose kararya.
My dad gave it to
bareba
us.
mu gitabo sasa bamenye itukuka rya kukabaho kira kitu cyose bamenye ibyerekeye n'amafi.
He's a fish.
Yeah.
But the thing that's
ntabwo niketse ko sasa yakaba kerekeye n'amafi.
fisherman caught had a sail
sasa kidasanzwe bafashe ngo ni ifi
like Magnus.
ariko namenye cyenda komera nka nusa nka Magnus.
And they said it changed color and stuff.
kubera ko nacyo gihindura amabara yacyo.
We gotta start somewhere, I guess.
gihindura amabara yacyo.
Hey!
agira ngo gihindura amabara yacyo kandi twumva ko bavuze kazungu na Iberi. Bakono bakaka igitabo. Yeah. Yewe. Yewe.
That's it.
Woyicara hamwe byihorere. Gira gutya karakobagana yewe. Twaza gake. Magnus kugira kuno nayo dodisi Magnus na ribi ryayo hakuno. Sasa dogiteri we yakomeje kuri ubushakashatsi ku giti cyiwe. Ni doctor. Dogiteri akomeje kuri ubushakashatsi amenye ibyambere hakuno. Yashakuno. Hari utunyamaswa turi kwiremarema. Tuje akanyamaswa gashira hakuno. Bisa nk'aho ari inyamaswa zindi ziri kwiremarema. Izindi nyamaswa zitazwi n'abantu ziri kwiremarema. Inyamaswa ziba zarabayeho kera habayeho ugasanga zirongeye zibayeho. Inyamaswa ziba zarabaye kera kongera ugasanga ziriremye. Akiri muri ibyo.
Hi, this is Fred Tansey. Can you put me through to Special Agent Martin?
Sasa kuhande ibisa nk'aho dogiteri yakurikiye. Hari igihe se ngo barushoka barimo.
Where?
Yeah. Kuhande lebya hakurya hari imodoka yabonye idasanzwe. Iri kugenda mu mashyamba. Hey!
This is Fred Tansey. Can you
Yewe ni Fred turi tukuvugana.
put me through to Special
Sasa hakuno bidasanzwe biri kuba bya hakuno byihutirwa cyane. Yaranaboye kuri police Fred yabona no police.
Where?
Hese. Yeah.
Okay, listen.
Nagiye kunyumva.
Let him know I found something at Brightwood.
Sasa bisa nk'aho sasa hari ikidasanzwe bashiko banabona. Kiri ko muri iki gitoro cya Brightwood. Yamenyesheje police, amenyesha Fred. Yeah, hari ikidasanzwe.
Fred, it's
Yewe Fred.
Jennifer Emery.
Uvugana Jennifer Emery.
Please call me urgently.
Nakwinjiza amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara kuri telefone yanjye byihutirwa amagara Pandi. We na Pandi ngo ari ukuntu gutya.
Fred?
Yewe Fred.
No.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Okay?
Bimeze neza se?
Mike's not in trouble again, is he?
Igihugu cyaje kijya mu bibazo nanone.
No, nothing like that.
Oya ntago ari ikintu byaraho mbihuriye nanone.
I could cope
Siko
with
mbitekereza ariko
Could you cope with dinner?
usasa byashoboka sasa aramutumira ngo mbese kuba basangira agafunguro ka mugoroba.
Tomorrow night?
Ejo cyangwa ku mugoroba bimeze bite?
That'd be nice.
Tomorrow night? Say
Ejo ku mugoroba.
7.
Yeah,
Sibyo?
that'd be nice.
Yewe ndumva rwose ari agatangaza. Araza gusohokana na Pandi. Friday.
What's with the pictures?
Se amafoto nayiki.
Oh,
Yewe amafoto yakuro rero.
I don't know. I guess they just
Ntago ariko ngewe amafoto.
remind me of old times with Dad.
Atuma nibuka sasa ibihe nagiranye na data, ibihe byaciyeho. Anyibutsa data. Ndetse nagiranye na data.
I want things to change.
Sasa imizero zibari ikintu cyahindura.
What are his other characteristics? Maybe do a search for camouflage.
Sorry.
Babarire. Gira gutya bafasheho. Wihangane. Gira gutya.
Jake,
Yewe je.
he doesn't look so good.
Reba hakuno dusukurikirwe cya Magnus. Gira gutya Magnus arukuru gira gutya.
I forgot to mention something.
Hari ikintu ngiye kuba nakubwira.
Mention what?
Iki kandi mbwira icyo wagiye kwambwira. Gira gutya kirakura we.
Dad.
Yewe data we.
Feet.
Yewe
Jake,
kuri ibintu bingana check.
Come here, Magnus.
Kiri ubururu. Urabona Magnus hakuno?
Jake,
Jake.
how do you forget to mention something like that?
Ntabwo wigeze umbwira ko kimeze gutyo ugiye gukora kingana mu mwanya muto cyane. Kiraza kuza kuba kinini birenze. Ntabwo wabimbwiye.
He's gonna be huge.
Kiraza kuza kuba kinini cyane birenze. Karabaye.
We got a problem.
bigiye kubibaza mwana.
Gotta show my dad.
Reka tubyereke data.
Oh, you can't.
Oya ariko reka urabizi ntabwo byashoboka kandi nsezeranyije.
At this
Ntabwo
rate,
twabyereka data. Urabona hakuno Jack rero.
he won't even fit in
Bishobora kuza kuba kinini cyane.
your house.
I'll move
Uburyo kitakwirwa muri iyi nzu.
him. I'll move to
Ndaza
the
kukimura.
garage. He'll be
Nanagitwara nkagenda mu igaraje.
fine.
Ndabizi kiraza kuba cyamera neza.
I see this. What are
None
you
niba bakora
doing?
ibyambere hakuno. Bakora icyo hakuno ku ruhande. Ubu n'abandi bana barakibona.
Guys, it's okay. Calm down.
Utuze mwana.
Won't hurt you.
Nta cyo yabaza Grace.
Crap! It's an alien. I mean,
Kino ni cyo alien mwana kiva hejuru.
extraterrestrial. Not an alien.
Ntabwo ari alien.
Sit.
Mutuze.
It's like the cat's out of the bag.
Sasa yongi birasa nkaho ari igipusi cyavuye mu gikapu.
Somehow I don't think it's a cat.
Ntabwo nyine kiza ko ari ipusi.
It's a figure of speech. I don't think it's one of those either. Guys, it's okay.
Mutuze mwana.
Meet Magnus.
Muhure na Magnus.
That thing has a name? Listen,
Utari izina mwana.
you can't tell anyone, okay?
Nta muntu mufite uko mwabibwira n'umwe.
Kidding me? This is
Urimo uradukinisha mwana.
the find of the century.
Mwana iki kintu kigaragaye muri iki kinyejana mwana.
Charles, I'm serious.
I am too. Wait till I post this.
Mwana kandi ngipostinga mwana kuri noza kuri za wasutwa mwana ngiposting.
Do you ever listen to
Yuko witonda mwana Charles.
Hell, Jake!
Go home. You're not
Mujye mu rugo.
filming
Are
it.
you kidding me? This is worth a fortune.
As a friend, I'm asking you
Umva mwana niba ari inshuti nakubaza mwana kugera mu rugo.
home.
You know what,
Niba uri inshuti yanjye ndagusaba ujye mu rugo.
Jake? I'm
Mwana
not
urabizi mwana Jake.
sure that we really are friends.
Ntabwo turi inshuti zanjye zo mwana.
Friends tell each other
Ni
things,
gute niba turi inshuti.
and friends don't keep messing.
Tumenyeshe ikintu nagazi kiri hakuno mwana. Niba turi inshuti wakwe tumenyeshe ikintu nagazi kiri hakuno.
I knew you'd do this. All you care about is your stupid channel.
Nose mwana wowe ntabwo uri mukuti wakuri urabizi ukora byaca no by'umugoryi byawe uri gukora byaca no nguzakora amafaranga.
Oh, you
Yeah.
about your stupid
None ntabwo mwana kino gikorwa cy'inshuti yawe.
girlfriend!
Arizo ziri inshuti zawe mwana.
My stupid girlfriend.
Ntabwo ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yanjye. Ntabwo ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yanjye.
Guys, let's go.
Tugendere mwana ngiye kuba ari igikorwa cy'inshuti yiwe cy'umukobwa. Ugishira ikiwe cy'igikorwa kiri hakuno. Sasa hakuno barashwanye mwana nari bimwe.
That guy.
Mwana nawe urabyizeye mwana.
I gotta go.
Yewe nanjye mfite kuba nagenda mwana. Nari biri kaza n'agakobwa kiwe baratonganye kurona inshuti ziwe. Baratonganye mbigenze neza.
You're Magnus.
Ngwino hano hataba Magnus. Ngwino hakuno. Magnus yicara hakuno. Yeah. Inshuti zitangiye kumenya ko Magnus ari hakuno. Hari ikidasanzwe baremye.
Dad, I have to tell you something.
Sasa data hari icyo ngira ngo nkubwire.
What's that?
Ibi ni biki papa? What that?
No?
Ntabwo nanjye mbizi.
We're gonna do an autopsy on
Sasa
him.
ibi ngibi sasa
Find out.
turibuze kuba twakora autopsy tubaje kuba twamenye icyo ari cyo tumenye ibyo ari byo.
What you wanna tell me?
Wari ugiye kumbwira iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo waryo ushaka ko nta kintu mbwiye kandi ugiye kumbwira ntacyo ngiye kubona kubwira.
Never mind.
Yirengagiza nta cyabaye. Sinagiye kuba yamubwira iby'iki na Magnus. Yeah.
That's
Urakora iki mwana?
That's camping bag.
Wajya ufata igikapu cya data nanone.
Who'd you stay out of his stuff?
Narakubwira ibintu bya data byose bijye kure.
Whatever.
Ni ibiki? Kiragurya.
Don't go in there.
Mwana ujye mu mwana.
Out of my way.
Nta bundi buryo.
Sleep?
Mike. Gerayo.
What are you up to?
Urapanga ibiki?
Hang on.
Ah.
You got your little
Nkabiceka mwana.
girlfriend in there.
Yandika agakobwa mwana k'inshuti yawe mwana.
Fine. I'll show you. Just
Mwana nagabikweretse ko mwana nagabikweretse.
please don't freak out.
Ariko mwana uzi kuba wanuza gutyo. Kiramutuka.
Whatever.
Byaba byose ariko bisaba kuba agakobwa karimo. Ndabikwereka. Ngiro ngoreka hakuno yamuzanye hakuno sasa ni Mike. Muzanye hakuno. Ora kitazo. Kuma kureba nguri cyari cyabonye.
Big secret.
Manje niryo banga rirenza mwana.
A little for plush toys.
Niryo banga rirenza kino gikinisho mwana gikine. Karasaba. Yawe kikanga Mike.
Hell is that thing?
Ye uyu mwana 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 bayo.
Oh no.
Ntabwo bizi nanjye.
What do you mean you don't know? You didn't
Ni
check
gutyo twabona ntabwo nawe bizi.
the invoice?
Suzuma neza mwana ibi ni biki?
Buy him, moron.
Ntabwo nakiguze kigoryi. Ntabwo nakiguze. Biravukana ibivandimwe. Icya Dinezoro ntabwo yakiguze.
It's incredible.
Hakuno do baratongurwa n'icya Dinezoro.
And Mike.
Remember that time
Komeza kuba nakomeza kumurindira umutekano ko namufite.
when
Mwana uribuka igihe mwana?
fishing with Dad
Uribuka igihe twari kumwe na data igihe twarobaga?
caught that eel?
Hari igihe tudasanzwe twarobye.
We snuck it home and put it in the bag.
Yeah.
Abirumvikana mwana.
Freaked.
Right.
Mama icyo gihe yagize ubwoba mwana. Icyo kintu twarakirabye tugezana mu rugo ariko mama yarakibonye agira ubwoba. Ibaze mama abonye ikintu kinacyo. Nabwo yagira ubwoba.
It's no eel.
Ikintu kintu ntabwo ari iri. Ntabwo kimeze nk'icyo twarabye bitaga iri. Kiratandukanye. mama kibonye yagira ubwoba. Sasa hakuno bwatinze twagarutse ku Kivu. Sasa ku Kivu hakuno hari kazungu nibi abisa nka hari icyo ndobye udabona filime kazungu na Iberi. Ebe cya kazungu kiba gifite umunwa muremure, dore Iberi nicyo cyambaye ibishati by'umutuku. Hari ikidasanzwe ndobye cya kazungu, hari ikidasanzwe ndobye. Napasha turagufite sha niko Ibe kuma mazi bisa nk'amazi. Hari ikidasanzwe kiri mu mazi. Dore filime, dore amazi hari ikidasanzwe kirimo. Udabona filime kumbe akuvira igipiti kabisa. Alien zaramanutse, ibi petro zati nezo zose zaramanutse kubona mu mazi. No hari inyamaswa cyane. Napfuye kazura Iberi. Yawe kabaye agafi gato mama shenge dose kabaye agafi gato. Ayiwe bago barize nk'abana. Yiwe barize nk'abana. Haza hakuno yewe sasa urangara bwa natesi taza kuza kugira inama mu mujyi, umuhuro.
We're gonna start the day as a family.
Taza kuza kubatwara uyu munsi.
Never drive us to school.
Well, today I am.
Ariko uyu munsi biraza kuba byaba ntabwo usanga dutwara ku ishuri mama, turaza kwitwara.
And what?
Turaza kugenda n'ibirenge.
Driving us to school.
Mama aradutwara ku ishuri mwana.
We're gonna walk.
Ntabwo turagenda n'ibirenge.
2 minutes, no arguments. We'll grab breakfast on the way.
Sasa ifunguro ry'amato turifatira mu nzira twakirerewe. Mike,
Can't leave him here.
ntabwo mushobora kubona hakuno.
What do you do about it?
I don't know gute mwana.
No, you're always getting us stuff.
Umva icyangombwa wari nazo kuba nava hakuno.
I'm going to the car now.
Tugiye guta twajya mu modoka kakanya.
Be in it.
Sibyo? Tugiye kujya mu modoka.
Mike,
I'll think of something.
just
Icyo ni kizaza gidasanzwe.
don't make her mad, okay?
Uze kuza gutuma mama amera nk'umusazi mwana. Arakara.
Mike.
Umuntu urabizi mama ameze nk'unuza ngo wataye umutwe. Mike, tuza.
Okay.
Tuza nta kibazo nawe narakaza mama. Nyina wabo ngarukura nyine gutya kamubwira ibigambo agaturubura. Yeah.
This breakfast thing, can we just skip?
Sasa ni iminsi ugiye kuhagera na sasa na Friday.
Actually, Mike, today's the perfect day for it.
What does that mean?
Ushatse kuvuga iki mama?
I just think it's time we all moved on.
This is about Faraday, isn't it? He asked
Byose nabizi bikwereka na Friday.
you out again.
Akingira ngo baza.
Yes, he did.
Icyo kandi mwana wanjye.
Tend to go. Tonight, actually.
Urabizi rishoro ngene nawe tuzi ko twagira na sasa gatangaza. Tugenda gatangaza nyina Friday. Amubwiza ukuri. Ntabwo amubeshye. Bari baze kugira na gatangaza.
Come on, guys, it's been 2 years.
Urabizi sasa imyaka iciyeho.
2 years is too soon to replace Dad.
Yose mama imyaka igera kuri 2 yonyine iciyeho.
I'm not replacing.
Watufata umugabo ukamusimbuza data. Niba data atakiriho naba data adahari. Ntabwo wafata umugabo utamusimbuza data kuko imyaka 2 iciyeho. Nta no kwihangana wabasha ko wagira mama.
No one will ever replace him. Don't I do
Nta
something?
n'umwe zigera nsimbuza nsoro. Bana banjye.
Not with some glorified hall monitor.
That's enough.
Birahagije mwana wanjye.
You plenty of chances.
Tuza.
It's about time you gave him a chance.
You know what, Jennifer? I don't even give him Jack.
Don't call me Jennifer. I'm your mother.
You're not
Ntuzongere kumpamagara Jennifer ndi nyoko wakubyaye.
my mother. You're just some
Ntabwo uri mama.
douchebags, girlfriend.
Kubera ko ufite urundi rugura inshuti yawe mu buzima bwawe ntabwo nakumera kukwita mama kandi ufite ikindi kigabo kiri mu buzima bwawe mama. Ariko hakuna imodoka.
Get out!
Sohoka mu modoka yanjye utangiye kumucyurira. Ko ntabwo waba mama ufite ikindi kigabo kiri mu buzima bwawe. Ntabwo imyaka iri nawe kandi sohoka. Kajike nakaragasohora mwana. Urabona mwana?
That was mean, Mike. I told you not to make her mad.
Bana nakubwiye mwana nakubwiye nuze gutuma mama nk'umusazi.
You want to get back home to that thing of yours, don't you?
Ariko urabizi n'ubundi wifuje ko wasubira mu rugo ngasubira mu rugo si wabyifuje. Subira mu rugo n'ubundi wari wabyifuje nako bikora guteze. Sasa cyane bikoze kugira ngo sasa agaranga asubira mu rugo. Yeah. Nakindi cyo ku ruhande. Sasa kuno kanari. Baje mu mazi.
Keep looking.
Wewe mukomeze murebesha hakurya murebe hakurya. Yewe hakurya. Kano yahamagaye Kano. Mureka zakona naribi.
What can I do for you, doctor?
Urakora ibicyakuno dogiteri.
First,
iki nagufasha dogiteri.
of all, you can stop jerking me around.
Sasa corona ngabona musaba kugira ngo hagarike ibyarimo byose.
Now, where's
Yeah. Ndagusaba guhagarika ibingi birimo.
Sorry, doctor.
Urihangana dogiteri.
I'm in the middle of a military training
urabizi sasa hako nyewe ndacyari munoza turi gukora imyitozo ya gisirikare
exercise.
imyitozo ya gisirikare
Check again.
monyera musuzume shango bari mu myitozo ni kano.
Something stinks here and it's not a catfish.
nabizi neza namaje kubona mu gidasanzwe iriya ntago yari ifi isanzwe ntago yari ifi isanzwe.
Doctor.
yamenye ko iyi itari ifi.
Watch him. Find out what he knows.
sasa hakuru mugumisha amaso bashwa mwamenye ikintu agomba kuba yamenye icyo ari cyo. Umenye ibyo yamenye ni biki mugumisha amaso. byamenye bingana iki sasa hakuno ari hakuno umwana uri hakuno nicyo yumvisha igisakuza hakurya bikabatanye no kwa Jake hari icyo yumvisha igisakuza hakurya satira yumve ibijya mbere gusa n'ibiki bijya mbere hakuno n'akana gato satira rebe hey kuda cyabaye kinini cyabaye kinini yakijyanye mu igaraje. Magnus yabaye munini cyane birenze. Magnus yagera hinduka noneho ba munini cyane birenze Magnus.
What's up, boy?
Ibyo mbere mu musore. Magnus yabaye munini. Karabaye. Magnus.
107.
yabaye dinozoro ya nyayo. yabaye dinozoro ya nyayo. sasa hakuno kure gutya polisi yatejemo.
70 on Hargrave.
sasa hakuno polisi. Nakumva.
Relax.
Tuza mwana, polisi bisa ngo yegera iwabo. Kubera sanga ari Friday.
Follow me.
Urikira mwana. Dinozoro hakure bisa ngo agiye guhemukira. Abi dinozoro agiye guhemukira tu.
Magnus, it's okay.
Magnus. Ni sawa mwana. Magnus yahindutse. Magnus.
It's me.
Ni Jeff. Magnus yahindutse mwabari buryo ngo mugona ko inyamaswa. Hari ukuri inyamaswa ihinduka. Inyamaswa nk'irarya.
The thing is dangerous. It has to go.
Iki kintu nicyo byaje ko twagenda.
Training.
Ariko gitugenda imyitozo. Gikina imyitozo.
Train him properly.
Ntabwo nagitoje bihagije.
Whatever that thing is.
Gikina imyitozo bine. Ntabwo namureke wenyine.
He needs me.
Aranyeneye nanjye namukiniye. Aranyeneye Magnus.
Chris, he didn't
Ibyo yarakoreye umukobwa.
mean it. Seriously? How long do you think you can keep him hidden for?
Niko igihe kingana cyuzakomeza guhisha kinagazi kingana gutya. Niko tuzakomeza kugisha. Kiri gukura birenze niko tuzakomeza kugisha kandi kingana gutya.
Stay here.
Mako.
We'll grab a bandage.
Kanye gushaka noza sasa noza ngiye ukuntu umukobwa twamupfuka. Ngiye gushaka inoza ibipfuko. Yeah.
You okay?
Meze neza.
Yeah.
Naribi. Kakomenetseho.
Sorry about what I said before.
Wihangane kubyo navuze cyagihe imbere.
To Charles, I mean.
Ibyo Charles, ibyo nshatse kubona. Ayo komeze neza ntacyo bitwaye.
I didn't mean it.
Nagari kumutekereza. Nabyo kuba navuga.
Which part? The girlfriend part?
Ibikubwa byari byegereje n'umukobwa w'inshuti bya sheri.
Or the stupid part?
You're not stupid.
Oya ntabwo nashatse kubona avuga yuko uri ikigoryi. Oya ntabwo nangututse. Nakunda ko ntabwo uri ikigoryi.
Anyway, I'm sorry.
Niyo mpamvu yo gusaba imbabazi nanjye narakaye ndavugishwa. Bisa ngo nabababaye.
We good?
Tumeze fresh natwe twese. Turi fresh. Kandi aho hari polisi. Kandi idasanzwe abantu bafite mu nyubako. Hari ikidasanzwe abantu bafite mu nyubako. Cyakuze cyane.
What do you say? Go ahead. Not your son.
Ntabwo ndi umwana wawe ni Fandi.
You're absolutely right.
Sasa hakuno ugomba kuba namenye iki ngiki.
Why don't I just give your mom a call?
Niba icyo wabwiye mama wawe sasa mama wawe yamamagaye ariko yamamagaye yarakaye.
What do you say?
Nicyo wamubwiye.
Go ahead. Put her in the mood for your big date tonight.
Sasa hakuno wowe ufite ko wajya kugera sasa umugoroba mwiza uri kumwe na mama. Magnus. Ceceka hakuno hari Fandi. Hari Fandi.
Look.
Reba hano sha.
If I do a search,
Sasa ndamutse nkuze ubushakashatsi cyangwa abashaka kuba nashakisha.
and I find something I shouldn't.
hari ikidasanzwe namenya sibyo muri mu kibi
Very complicated.
sasa hakuno rero
Almost finished.
sasa hakuno nwarangije Friday twarangije
And it's done.
kureba gutya fanda ari hakuno
Hello, officer.
yewe fandi
Mind telling me what the two of you are doing out of school?
sasa hakuno birasa nkaho mwebwe muri babiri hari ikintu muko mwakora mwakwibye ishuri mwanze kujya ku ishuri
Certainly. Mike's making a present for Jennifer.
sasa hakuno urabizi nyine Mike hari aga surprise ari gutegurira nyina
It's her 40th
agiye
tomorrow.
kuzuza imyaka 40 nyina
He was running behind,
rero hakuno nyine yari yansabye ubufasha
and so I offered to help.
nanjye nari nashaka kugira umufasha tuba twakora surprise impano ya nyina niba ko kuzuza imyaka 40
With everything she's been through, I just think it's so thoughtful of him. Don't you?
So it's her birthday tomorrow.
yewe hari isabukuru nziza uyu munsi mwana ya nyina hari isabukuru irabazwe ngwino mwana batangiye kumpamagara ni fandi
Roger that. On my way.
ubu ndi mu nzira nza
I suggest you clean that cut, and then the both of you get back to school.
sasa hakuno gupfuke neza hakuno wikata ibyo binagazi byose muri musubire ku ishuri sibyo sha ni fandi ni sherifu baramubeshya hari ngo nyina w'umwana Jennifer yogeze imyaka 40 mu gitondo ejo ku mugoroba azazuza imyaka 40
Hey guys, look! Another.
ya mwana
This is right near us.
hari ikidasanzwe kikugaragaza sinyari hakuno reba hakurya Charles
Guys, seriously.
none ibintu bisuriye mwana ibintu serious hakurya agasani kariya ni kaciyo kaciyo mana nyagasani ibi ni ibiki
You guys ready?
How can anyone be ready for this?
Are you kidding me? I was born ready.
uri kunyinisha mwana
Born naked, screaming, and unable
urabizi ngo nyina mvutse sa kana kari hakuno kariya kana kanyomboza
to be close.
uri kubitegeza mwana
Oh my gosh.
yicaho mana nyagasani urakibonye mwana
You guys ready?
How can anyone be ready
uriteguye mwana
for this?
Are you kidding me?
urabizi mwana ugira kunyinisha
I was born ready.
njye navutse niteguye mwana njye umwana wavukiye niteguye urumva mwana ngo navutse nk'abandi bana njye navutse niteguye
I'm pretty sure you
urazi kuriya gatangaza mwana
were naked, screaming, and
kavutse gasakuza katazi no kugenda numva kari kwiyemera hakuno
let's go.
dufite kugenda bagiye gukira amenye ikijya mbere sasa hakuno abasekere bapanuye hari alien zamanutse
7 boys. No one enters. No one leaves.
hakuno nta kugenda hakuno ntawe utagira ikibacika
I don't think this is a good idea.
Yeah, what
ndatekereza atari igitekerezo cyiza
Ethan?
uravuga ibiki
It's abandoned.
ntabwo ari igitekerezo cyiza hakuno abasirikare bapanuye za alien zamanutse naso za alien ni ibi hejuru hari inyamaswa ziri kwirema ni irema ry'inyamaswa rishya yewe tuza irema
Max.
Max
Guys, look!
basura muri bakurya
Gosh, I told you.
mana nababwiye mwana
Real.
narabwiye hakuno ni ibyavuyemo bya alien bizima hakuno n'ibintu nabyo bitangira kwirema dore ngo birakanguka irema ry'inyamaswa irema ry'inyamaswa hakuno n'indi nazo yashobora kurira zirya izindi mbona zivamo hey zikurikira ibindi ubwazo zirahingana inyamaswa rwavuyemo runini rwahakuna rwambara imodoka kugira ngo yonyonyuka hey dinezoro ni nyinshi mister yeah
Charles Alton.
hey yewe inyamaswa ni nini
I told you this wasn't a good idea.
mwana nabwe mwana nta gatekerezo cyiza tugiye gupfa mwana tugiye gupfa tu kugera kuri cyara gitubura kirameneka hakuno
I love candy. Max, come on, hurry up!
tugenda mwana vava Max muvabo babwake yeah
What are you doing?
gatwana
Get out. I told you to leave that stuff
twakurikira tuve ko kuva ko twabanga
alone.
Not
nabikubwiye mwana
leaving him, Mike.
ntabwo nabireka ntabwo mureka wenyine Magnus ntabwo namureka wenyine ngo musige wenyine
Taking him away.
Away? Away where? Where do you think you can hide him?
Take him to the tunnel.
The tunnels?
ngomba kuba namushaka sasa mu buvumo
What? So you're gonna go
buvumo nyabaki
live out in the wild with it? Yeah. Good plan, Jake. I see you've
tumupango mwiza mwana Jake
really thought this through.
I'm staying with him, and you can't stop me.
Thing is
nakubwiye ntabwo namenya kure mwana ntabwo kandi cyiza nuko ntabwo ibyo mbwira bwose ngo mujye kure
dangerous. You saw what he
ni
did
mubi cyane
to Abby.
ntabwo mbonye ibyo bintu cyari kigiye kuba cyakora Abby
He's gonna be there when it goes all Jekyll and Hyde on you.
He won't do that to me. He would never do that.
You can't control it.
ntabwo washobora kugikontorora mwana ntabwo washobora kugikontorora kanga ukumenya ubwenge
You can't control it. Wake up.
ntabwo wagikontorora
He needs me.
aranyeneye Magnus
I made him. He's my responsibility.
muri make ni inshingano zanjye kuba namwitaho, ni inshingano zanjye Magnet.
Never going to leave him.
Magnus. Iyo si itaje ry'ibumoso nyine nuko ni Magnus. Yeah. Ntago Magnus namureka wenyine. Magnus yo. Ikindi cyaba ku ruhande. Kugira byaba byose nk'umuvandimwe bari umuvandimwe.
Lord.
Mutanga raporo.
Stevens and Roberts reported kids.
Sasa hakuno na poli hari twabonye ibyana.
We found this.
Twabonye ibyana hakuno na telefone ibyo byari gifite hakuno do. Hari maje. Baba kigeje na man.
Serious.
Serious man.
I am too. Wait till I post this.
Ngiye kubona posting abantu ko bafashe telefone muri ababara bari kotiza ya majwi. Ngiye kubona posting. Bamenye ko ikiza ngo bari bavumbuye. Yeah. Ngiye ku posting.
You okay?
Meze neza. Yeah.
You've got to get into the mothership.
What are you doing here?
Barakora ibyanga.
What? Alien. What are you
talking
about?
Baravuga ikiza alien.
We're trying to capture them.
Kandi abasirikare bagikora hakuno.
Kept beating them up.
I'm not convinced of your teleportation theory.
It's totally legit. I think I killed one.
Turakubwira ukuri. Hagize ngo ni imikino. Check reba hakurya. Reba hakurya.
Crap.
Umwanda gusa. Kumbe ya dinozoro aragira kuri renga ni garage. Yewe gatata we.
I go now.
Tukwamwa bakuru.
Coming with you.
Umva turajyana nawe.
Stay.
Magnus yahindutse.
I think we'll go.
Ndakeka twe twakwigendera mwana. Twakwigendera mwana. Hakuma hakuno. Magnus yahindutse bavuga ko abana kubana ibintu byakomeye. Bana ibintu byakomeye. Magnus yahindutse yabaye munini cyane birenze. Magnus yahindutse. Sirike nabo bisa nk'ari ikintu bamenye. Hari idasanzwe bamenye. Kuba mugenye mu igaraje Magnus.
Step aside.
Excuse me?
Yewe vamo haziranye nyihanganire fandi. Kano.
I said step aside.
Wa mwana naho bijya ku ruhande rwanje.
Excuse me.
Ayo kuri ntabwo ubwiye ngo nyihanganire.
I don't know who you
Ntabwo mbizi.
I know my rights.
Ntabwo ariko ni munzira kigo giva mu nzira fanda nyureho. Va mu nzira badirisha fanda nyureho. Sye. Oh kapao.
You have the right to remain very, very silent. Anything you say can and will piss me
Wa mwana muto ntabwo ngomba kwavuga amagambo hakuno ngomba kwatuza.
off.
Yeah.
Knowing and understanding these rights will protect you from any unnecessary pain.
Hakuno uri hangaho bararinda barinda akababaro ndabarinda agahinda. Icyaka no gusa bisa nkaho kano nawe ufite ibirenge gupanga. Kureba hakuno nta kintu kirimo.
Where is it?
Kiri he? Kiri he icyo kintu gazi? Sasa hakuno Magnus hari aho bayizanye. Hari aho baje Magnus. Yeah. Bayizanye hakuno. Ni kinini. Dinozoro. Kandi kiracyakura umwanya ku munota. Tegereza.
What is that?
Birane biki? Kirabakurikiye. Kumba kuraba hejuru.
Charles was right.
Uziko Charles yari mukuri.
Wrong, boy.
Yari mukuri Charles. Bavuga gukuri. Kurya bisa nkaho Charles. None uziko yari mukuri.
You're right about the UFOs. There's one right in front of us. See?
In front of you?
There's one right here.
Natwe twabibonye mwana. Babonye nabo alien hejuru. Babonye ibya bisahani bya alien. Kurya gikuramo imbunda. Uburyo bireba nabyo. Uburyo birebamo. Uburyo birebamo. Kira gutya. Cyaje kirasa. Cyane kirasa. Za alien. Za alien zikurikira dinozoro. Alien zikurikira dinozoro. Yeah. So ziranarasa. So ziranarasa zaje zirasa za alien zikurikira ya dinozoro. Zikurikira ya dinozoro. Yeah. Bana baje hakura sasa muri. Uvumo. Yeah. Muri tano. Za alien hirya no hino zabarinye. Yeah. Alien hirya no hino zabarinye. Alien na dinozoro. Yeah. Iracyari the future entertainment. Ye, Magnus ari. Ari Magnus. Kuna Magnus yitsimye. Nabwaka. Ya buke. Alien irumva. Alien zirumva. Magnus do yitsimye. Abaginga. Wa aranabura nkurikira. Magnus ni manga. Urabe. Dinosaur tubwenge mwabantu mwe. Yewe kigoryi. Yewe kwigira ako. Nkurikira kigoryi. Hey, Alien irakurikira. Jake. Kureba ngurya sasa dinosaur nayo. Bonye put nongera nabura. Tuburyo kuziyobya marori. Tuburyo kuziyobya marori za Alien. Gicaho. Gicaho dore ngicyo. Yaje yitsimba hakuno. Sanga agiye muri kontineri. Kumbe agiye hejuru sasa kujya hejuru. Kujya hejuru. Iri hakuno irapizira. Yawe! Dinosaur iri hakuno. Dore ngira hejuru ya Alien. Irajya hejuru. Karabaye. Hakuno Alien yaje hakuno. Filimi hakuno. Gira kurya kumbe. Bagiye kurasabana kiratabara DC. Magnus akoze akazi keza. DC Magnus yaratabaye. Yatabaye abana bagiye kurasukana za Alien. Magnus aratabara. Mungu mwiza abantu. Magnus kazi keza. Magnus yaratabaye. Yewe amukinga we. Magnus na mutima mubi. Sasa ngaruranga kanobe ibisanga na urya vumbuye. Kuri doctor, twaka kuri doctor.
Abby?
Yamagaye Abby. Abby. Chwe, ibire chwe. Sasa na kiri cyaba barimo ku ruhande. Bakomeza iyo dinosaur yabo. Sangwa bayijyanye muri Nyungwe tu. Bayijyanye muri Nyungwe. Yeah.
Wow. It looks like stars inside.
Cyakomeje kuba kurya uburyo kinganamo. Ni kinini. Ni kinini cyane Magnus. Nabo bakizinye ku hari na nima twara bakizinye mu mashyamba. Kuno bakizinye mu vumo muri tano. Ni kinini cyane biguhumekere. Cyatangira gato cyane no kakanya cyarakuze cyane cya Magnus. Cya dinosaur.
Okay.
Yes. Sasa no musore muto ahangana cyekera ufite umutekano. Magnus. Yeah.
It's okay.
Yewe.
You'll be safe here, boy.
Parero sasa hakuno hangana ufite umutekano.
You'll be safe here, okay?
Ahanga ufite umutekano ho muna ntacyo waba.
Safe here, boy.
Ufite umutekano musore. Yeah. Hari umutekano.
Right here.
Kandi nanjye ndi ku ruhande rwawe. Nanjye ndi hano. Ntugire ubwoba.
Stay.
Umutekano. Ndi inshuti ye. Yeah. Magnus. Dinosaur.
It's okay. I'm right here.
Ni kinini shaho. Ha. Uzambaze nzakubwira ni kinini.
You'll be safe, okay?
Burya ikintu kinganamo. Hane ufite umutekano. Ufite kujya kuri. Ye uransize. Uransize. Banga. Ufite kugisiga kuno. Kiriryamira naribi.
Come on.
Tugende twendereye. Katujya mu rugo.
Come on. Let's go home.
Twendereye mu ruhomo. Twendereye mu rugo. Bataye.
There were 4 beds in that room, and they'd all been slept in.
Sasa kuno Freddy yowe yagiye asohoka niki? Fandi Freddy.
As well. Oh, is anybody clean here?
Asohokanye ndetse Fandi asohokanye hakuno ndetse mfanuza arya niyoza. Yanoza. Yarapaka idisi yagomba kumunuza gurya nyine kumunuza.
I was kind of surprised you
yewe binasa nkaho sasa nyine nakore ka surprise
asked me out again.
ariko hanguno nyine wansohokanye kuba yamusohokanye ndetse byamutongoye cyane ndetse biri mukesha mukesha yamusohokanye yeah
I mean, I hoped you would.
Zaza nyine bisa nkora nizeye ko uko byaba
Heard you off. I mean,
Mutse kuba navuga
Mike.
Yerekeye na Mike ibi bya Mike bireke
In this town, I've got to tell.
Arabizi nyine abantu bo muri uyu mujyi hari n'abantu bo muri uyu mujyi bameze nk'abafunga mutwe cyane ntago wakwibaza ku byerekeye na Mike
You know,
nyine urabyumva
military or mischief.
burya kuri uburyo umuntu bagomba kuba yakwitwara nk'aho akomeye mu byarimo cyangwa igisirikare kuva nakwihanganira abantu kuko ngo muziranye urashaka kwigira ngo umuntu muraziranye oya niyo mpamvu Mike mugomba kubona ko ucuve kose amureberera
Been that kid.
yeah
Would we like dessert? I'll just have coffee.
sasa uranga we babazana kasada oya ngenzanira agakawa
Okay.
sawa uzana agakawa nta kibazo umukesha
I organized a little
sasa nateguye hakuno
surprise
ka surprise ariko gato ariko ni keza ka surprise niko n'uruganije
for you.
ariko iyo surprise ni yawe
I wanted to get in early.
sasa ntabwo ngira ngo saza kuba nabasha kuba nakererwa nagira ngo nihutishe ibintu
So,
rero
happy 40th birthday.
sasa kuro yamwifurije isabukuru z'amavuko yamenye ko sasa afite isabukuru y'amavuko imyaka 40 kandi mukesha kirashaje imyaka 40
Oh.
yo yujuje imyaka 40 yewe nagatangaza nagasanze we nagatangaza
I'm really flattered, but it's not my birthday.
ariko ntago ari isabukuru y'amavuko ntago ari birthday yanjye wapi wibeshye byana byamubeshye mama shenye byamubeshye kuba ukanya hari byabaye dore cyo polisi iri kukirukankana bisa ngo Magnus yavumbuwe polisi irakurikiye polisi ikurikiye Magnus mu mujyi polisi ikurikiye Magnus yakurikiye uburyo ibirenge bya Magnus yawe ni nini cyane yakuze birenze Dinozoro ni nini
You're gonna kill him.
bagiye kukica cyangwa Magnus bagiye kuba bakica Dinozoro ko hakurya ari byaturitse karabaye igito kuri sitasiyo nta ikintu kirakura nubwo bakizengurutse nta mutima mubi ikica nta buhemu batuze mu nda bararasa mufate pozisiyo zanyu mumureke wenyine yapfuyeyo hakuno umwana mutavayo Magnus ni ngewe bantu batangiye kugishiriza
OMG, I gotta film this.
Isn't that Jake?
uriya ntabwo ari Jake man abanyeshuri batangiye kuba batungurwa ni njyewe ndi hano yawe iruhande rwawe
Here.
Jake!
hano Jake
Mom.
uriya mwana akiramuhemukira nyina w'umwana yapfuyeyo hakuno urabasanze umwana ari imbere y'ikintu cyabaye kinini Dinozoro kinini cyane icara hamwe nagisabye kwicara kiricara kiramwumviraga ni kinini cyane cya Dinozoro aricara umwana muto cyane nagisabye guca bugufi ni ikintu wakiremeye nta mwanya wo gutegereza bantu baratumva umwana uri hakuno afite ikimwumvira hakuno kiramwumvira ni cya Dinozoro ibintu biba ahantu hatiki cyane
Get the kid out of there!
bakikora iki mu gifata wako gifata oya kumureke wenyine hey
Wrap it up!
barasa amasasu dore disi Magnus menye bitabugendekeye neza baragishirije bakirashe inshinge zisiziriza yo byagenze neza Magnus ntabwo byamukeneye neza nta kindi cyabaye ku ruhande
I'll take Abby home.
sasa ngomba kuba nakwita kuri Abby nkamujyana mu rugo Abby
I'll take Abby home.
sasa akora telefone kasoni. Yeah.
Charles, this is not the
Charles,
time.
sasa kinaga cyo gihe mwana, nakajyo nakukanye. Charles, naga cyo gihe. Akina abanye bafite.
Charles, will you quit?
Charles, bari wajya uvuka mwana. Naga cyo gihe. Kuri bapanje sasa Magnus. Magnus kuruhande baje manika kuno. Yo.
Coming around. Let's get it secured.
Tugiye kuguha umutekano.
Nice.
Mugikonjeshe. Bagikonjesha byo ice urubura. Bagishiraho urubura. Ya Magnus DC. Nari biryacha ariko abana abantu mwabantu murabazi. Papa. Haza kugira hakuno mu rugo papa nawo hari. Papa nawo hari.
Fair 107 to dispatch.
Aturanga ni Friday.
Patch.
Aramenyesha.
His authority.
Aturanga aramubwira ati polisi yashwe ikurwaho. Bakanya amategeko yose ameze nk'ari ku gisirikare. Byinshi babikuyeho. Babenga inshingano za polisi zicibwa intege. Sasa kureba hakuno babonye sasa gakufi ka Rodrigue. Bisa ngo yashimuswe.
Do you have it? Building 6, negative 202.
Sasa hakuno
130.2.
hari inyubako zigira kuri 6. Basuzume neza barebe. Kijyabera hakuno.
Mike, looks like you finally made something of yourself.
Guys, I'm speaking to you.
Nimwe ndi kuvugisha basoni.
Where'd you get this picture?
Sasa hakuno. Reba hakuno ifoto.
Sure this will get us on base?
Get you on base.
Sasa uburyo bashaka bajya mu cyiciro gikuru cya gisirikare. Uburyo bakwinjira mu kigo cya gisirikare.
You're that base.
Mom, we got.
Cyoko bakurikiye muri rusa mu cyiciro gikuru cya gisirikare.
I got this.
Don't worry, Miss Emery.
Ntugire ikibazo mama.
I brought insurance.
Yafite ubwishingizi. Ntugire ikibazo ntacyo nzaba.
Check it out.
Suzuma ibi ngibi.
So I set up a closed circuit Wi-Fi relay to
Sasa baranga barajisha nyina w'umuntu wogiye ko bakora kushoboye kose bari ko bajya mu gisirikare.
Mom, listen.
Bari ukuntu barinjije ko sasa muri parotene ya gisirikare.
Tell them to tune into Charles's channel.
Jake, there is no.
Yeah. Mo gatinyuka na fam.
You okay?
They've taken.
Meze neza.
What?
This has
Sasa bisa nkaho sasa bamujyanye.
gone too far.
Bamujyanye.
Fort Brightwood to bring him back.
Sasa hakuno ngomba kuba namugarura sasa nk'inshingano zanjye.
To tune it.
Yeah, bamushimusi.
No
Mom,
way,
just
I'm going to
listen.
let you do.
Dogiteri bamushimusi. Se w'agakobwa.
Taken Fred.
Meze neza.
This has gone too far.
Yajyanywe.
I'm going to Fort Brightwood.
Nanjye rero ngomba kubona kushoboka kose mu giturage Brentwood.
Bring him back.
Nkaza kuba namugarura.
Y'all are.
Turi kumwe nawe turaza ko twagufasha.
You kids are not going anywhere.
Mwega muri abana mumaze kuba mwajya.
For years,
Imyaka yose mama.
all you've talked about is how the
None
military
muvuga abasirikare n'ibintu bakoze.
to us.
Reba ibintu badukoreye.
To Dad.
Jake, there's no way.
Reba ibyo bakoreye data.
I'm gonna
Mom,
let
just
you
let him
do
talk.
this.
They took my friend.
None bajyanye inshuti yanjye.
Now they've taken Abby's dad.
Bajyanye Magnus iriya nshuti yanjye kino kinyamaswa kinini.
They've taken enough.
Barangije bafata na se wa Abi nabo baramujyana.
They did something to Dad.
Ibyabaye byo bakoreye data.
Mom, just let him talk.
Kuvuga ngo abasirikare ni beza.
They took my friend.
Bafashe inshuti yanjye Magnus.
Now they've taken Abby's dad. They've taken enough.
Barangije bafata na se wa Abi baramujyana. None numva ibyo bidahagije.
It's time for us to do something.
Rero iki gihe nicyo kwanye kugira umuntu kigere ko kanye ko umuntu yagira ikintu akora.
Guys,
Nakureberera. Basore.
understand that you want to help.
Muri make birasa nkaho sasa
I get it.
mukeneye ubufasha sibyo?
But I can't allow you.
Allow? Once you set foot
Naza kuba nabafasha.
on Fort Brightwood, you have zero authority. We're going whether you allow us to or not.
Sasa hakora n'ibintu no kwigira byose nta nshingano ufite zo kwajya muri cya gisirikare cyangwa winjiremo nta bushobozi ufite. Yeah.
Ellen, I don't want you to go.
Ntabwo ngira ngo ujyeyo.
Can someone else handle this?
Shaka undi muntu wagenda akabikora. Ntabwo nakubona kujyayo. Oya nawe ni muntu uhari.
Roderick's got the entire fort
Sasa hakuno Rodrigue bisa nkaho yajyanywe.
locked down.
Yajyanywe no kuko namagaro bamwe mu polisi inshingano zanjye.
Go. Time is critical.
Mfite kuba nagenda kandi.
Kids out of trouble.
Utuma abana bajya mu bibazo kandi. Kugira ngo ibyana byagiye kare. Ibyana byagiye kare. Abana bafunga mutwe. Bagiye kare.
Is there any point in me telling you that what you're planning here is both illegal and dangerous?
Sasa mwabana mwana ibintu byo gupanga byose biraza kuza kuba ari ibintu biteme kandi bibikenewe ko byabuzana kaga. Oya, ariko nta mahirwe ahari.
Name. No, it's not. It's Francis.
Get in.
Mwinjire mu modoka indani. Yemeye kubafasha. Freddy. Find Freddy.
I know. Imported.
Where'd you get it?
I borrowed it.
Sasa ko.
I can't see.
Ntabwo ndi kureba.
No, Jake.
Sasa ko batanyuze kamera. Bagiye ko bajya kureba kurubasha batabara Magnus. Batabari na se w'umukobwa. Se wa Abi. Yeah. Ibaze bitakoze.
Don't worry.
Ugiye bikanga. Ntugire ikibazo. Biraza kuza gukora.
Charles.
Charles.
Did you get the ID?
Yeah.
My informant.
Who says informant?
Sasa hakuno bagiye gutabara Magnus batabare na se wa Abby.
Nobody uses
Doctor.
library anymore. I got it from Truth.
Ibintu byo gusoma tubimone n'ubugoryi.
Wiki.
Sasa hakuna amakuru yanyayo bakura muri kuri wiki. Yeah. No bakora amakuru yanyayo.
Are so screwed.
Ntabwo bagisome burya nyine bitabo. Bitusomera kuri internet. Amenye bijyambere hakuno. Nta kindi cyabaye bayize kuri basic. Hakuno mbere yo kwinjira mu kigo urabanza kwigaragaza ibikuranga.
The cargo?
Niye mizigo mufitemo indani.
Biological materials? You want to open her up?
Shaka gufungura ukareba ibirimo indani.
Symbol there, buddy? Go ahead, but it's your funeral.
Sasa ndashaka ko wamenya ibirimo indani uribuze kuba wiciriye ikiriyo cyawe. Muri make indani harimo ibidasanzwe. Urunamo kurebye mu byana guturikana. Baza kubushizeho ikiriyo cyawe.
See that symbol?
Yeah.
Go ahead, but it's your funeral.
Sako wiremeye ikiriyo cyawe sha.
Biohazard symbol.
Ciao, ibyo uvuze ni ukuri.
Good thinking.
Tekereje neza sha.
I don't think he's buying the ID.
Stay calm.
Tuza sha. Kumwe na Fan Freddy. Afatanya ngo bagene batabare. Bigize komando.
So, your mom's birthday.
Urabizi nkuko mwambwiye ngo mama wawe ni isabukuru y'amavuko. Ukora sita joro ry'ubumoso mwana. Mwandaburisha.
March.
Ha, bone mama agire ku isabukuru mu kwa gatatu. None
40?
yuzuza imyaka 40.
38.
Oya, azuzuza imyaka mu kwa gatatu azuzuza 38. Nimwe azuzuza imyaka ye.
40?
40.
38.
Oya, 38.
We're in.
Yeah. Nta kindi cyabaye bashaka icyuma cy'umuzungu.
We got a network. Abby, you got a position
Sasa kwa bandi bahamagara Abby.
on your dad?
Ugomba kuba bamenya sasa position nyine isarimo bakamenya n'ahantu ari. Yeah.
He's in there.
Ni hariya tu.
Who brought snacks?
Are you kidding me?
Uri gukina sasa bafite snacks.
Dylan, are we on?
Initiating live stream. Okay, we're on. That's Charles. That's the van. And that's Max.
Sasa ukuntu Max agiye kurabashira ko kushobora kuza kubihuza internet. Bamenye ibyambere bicira yivu.
You can see how hungry I am.
Mani yemwe nasanga muri mukuru ushonje mwana ndashonje cyo kiza n'ubugori cya Max.
Broke it already.
Yeah.
The antenna's moved.
Bisanga internet ivuye mwana. Baruze network avuye. Yeah. Baruze network avuye. Ku ruhande bapanure basoke. Yeah.
Hey.
Nta kindi cyabaye.
Get a diversion while we find Magnus. Mike and Max are with me.
Sasa mu nyuma tuzo kuba twabona Magnus.
Abby, you go with Faraday to
This is
find
Charles
his dad.
Altman.
Mwega muraza kujyana sasa na Friday.
Coming to you live from Fort
Mwana bazo mbona ufata ubwiriza hapa.
Bragg military base.
Charles!
Tuza kumurimuza. Charles.
Sorry.
Kubona ubugori bwabo. Ihangane. Yeah.
Okay, it's 11:02.
Sasa hakuna ubu urabona ni saa 5:2.
We leave 11:20.
Saa 5:20 turava hakuno. Muri make dufite minota 19 kuba twava hakuno. Yeah. Yeah, kindi cyabe ku ruhande.
It's 11:02. We leave 11:20. Let's move.
Turagenda saa 5:20. Ubwo turava hakuno.
You be okay?
Uraza kumera neza cyane. Ndamera neza.
Good luck.
Mahirwe masa. Nawe. Muhaka meeting ndisema amashenyi.
Loverboy.
Yewe muhungu ukundwa yewe. Twendere.
You good?
Muhungu uri mu rukundo tugende.
That feeds your stable.
Yewe, mwana hakuno.
Wait,
Tegereza mwana.
what if I'm discovered?
Baza magingo nibamvumbura mwakundi hakuno.
Nobody's
Ntugire ikibazo.
discovered online.
Nta muntu n'umwe ubuze kukuvumbura kubera ko nawe uri gukorera online.
Caller!
Yeah. Bagiye kubisha live.
But I'm hungry.
Yewe. Ndashonje mwana. Kuma kureba imbere.
Hey, any of you guys seen the large dino monster?
Mumenye mbyumvishe inyamaswa iri hakurora. Aza kujijisha abasirikare. Aza kujijisha abasirikare barakurikira kuri kigo rye. Mu buryo kwebya amarari. Yeah. Sasa hakuna abandi bagiye gushaka se umukobwa. Se wa Abby. Kureba hakuno. Ni mu nyubako. Yeah, ni mu kigo cya gisirikare.
Jake, be careful.
Check itonde. Ibyo ugiye mu byitondemo. Byitondemo sha.
Drunk. He's changing again. Hey, boy.
Ojya yindutse nanone. Ye musore. Ningewe. Ya, tangira ko batembereza igigo cya gisirikare. Ya, ni Charles. Ya, barakurikirana abasirikare. Baratunira kurikira. Bapumbi ko sasa ku ruhande. Magnus bari bamukonjesheje. Bari bamukonjesheje. Kugira akurira mu manura. Ya. Nezora ni manura. Samwan.
Right here.
Ndi hano.
Here.
Ndi hano. Ya.
Time to get moving.
Igihe cyo kugenda mwana. Igihe cyo kuva hakuno tukagenda.
Come on, boy, we gotta move.
Muze tutwo twava hakuno. Kira Magnus tukava hakuno tukagenda. Haguruka. Kira si leta ariko ntabwo kigenda cyakonje cyane. Bagikongeshe cyakagaye.
Magnus.
Magnus.
Oh, up. He's not.
Ufite kugenda haguruka. Ntabwo yahaguruka Magnus.
Up.
Haguruka. Eta ariko ntabwo haguruka Magnus.
Magnus. Get
Magnus.
up.
Fite guhaguruka Magnus. Ya. Wapi ntabwo haguruka Magnus we ntabwo guhaguruka.
Jake, leave.
Umva.
You have to go.
Dufite kugenda. Wapi ntabwo haguruka yo.
Ectoplasma.
It's ectoplasm.
Wait.
Tegereza.
Wait.
Ya. Turakora iki mwana? Ecto. Avuga ecto. Ishyushye.
We need lights.
Niyo dukeneye mwazo ukeneye urumuri. Banze bashiraho urumuri ku ruhande. Bari bukuno bashyushye disi.
He should be here.
Magnus sasa rero ndakeka yakaba yari hakuno.
Don't worry.
Ready?
Find him.
Turaza kuza kubona so.
Be anywhere.
Yeah. Ibiraha birarinze byabonye urumuri rugiyeho.
Crap! Quick, Charles, go to.
Papa abasore mwana.
Oh, what the?
Sasa kuri no kwanga ndagaje. Yanze. Yeah.
Let go now.
No, wait. He'll warm up.
Kugenda. Kigomba kubanza kigashyuha.
Come on, boy. Get up.
Musore haguruka.
Jake, we're out of time.
Hey,
Igihe cyageze cyo kuva hakuno.
it's a map of the building.
Sasa hakuno wabonye ikarita.
Down there?
Ikarita iri hakuno.
Comm center.
Sasa hakuno hari igikoni.
A bunch of interview rooms.
Sasa nibyo bakoramo interview, ibyumba by'inama, kira kitu cyose.
Bingo.
Sasa hakuno nicyo babonye. Yeah. Nagutegeza ku ruhande.
What is it?
Bini biki?
Evidence.
Bavumbuye ahari.
Come in, Goggles. I'm totally offline.
Quit calling me that. I'm coming. The antenna moved again.
Didn't you
Bisa nkaho internet yongeye ikava nanone.
check this stuff?
Yarashiraho nanone mwana.
Broke out of a roll.
Internet yavuyeho nanone.
Chips.
Bari kubicisha live.
Come on, we have to go now.
We're not leaving.
Dufite kugenda akakanya. Ntabwo nagenda musize.
There's no time left. Come on.
Nogenda dufite mwana turi kugenda. Turi hakuno tugenda.
Max.
Max man.
Max.
Max nawe yagiye.
You gotta be
Kiri kwifera ikinyaro cyo gikunda ibijyanye n'imirire.
What?
There's.
Ha, kare hakuno ka Max.
I'm here.
Ndiyo mwana.
You gotta be kidding me.
What? I'm
Kuri iki kozana biki.
hungry.
Wapi mwana? Ndashonje mwana.
You want one?
Yeah.
There's
Hakuno.
Bean
Hari izibishyimbo.
or beef brisket?
Max, you're a genius.
Mwana. Tute kubikora ngo umuhanga mwana.
Feels ready to eat. Grab as many as you can.
Why don't we just order a pizza while we're
Tuta pizza ni biki mwana? Bya pizza cyo gutanga itegeko ngo tumize za pizza.
Eat. We use
Twabikora mwana.
up.
Twashyushye sasa ko bafite bya pizza. Kushirako. Byabikora.
Chili.
Bagira gutya batangira gufata bya pizza by'ibishyimbo kira kitu cyose biri mu mashashi.
Max for later.
Yeah. Bagiye mu cyumba kurame. Ndavuye bakora.
Hey, Abby.
Abby,
Papa,
what are you doing here?
hapura kuri cyako.
Can you walk?
Washobora kugenda. Nagenda ni dogiteri ni muganga. Yeah. Sasa hakuno. Kano yazanye abantuza abaganga be. Yeah, batangiye kugishyushya. Gishyushye ko batangiye kuba. Yeah. Arako kararya. Ika Max. Kona kuno. Siri bavuyeyo. Yeah.
You boys are in some serious trouble.
Bazore batamwongeye mwishizeho ibibazo.
And entering. Tampering with military assets.
He's not an asset.
Him?
He's mine.
Iki kintu ntabwo ari icyawe, ni icyanjye.
Made him.
Ninjye wakiremeye ubwanjye. Uwakiremeye. Ntabwo ari icyawe. Ninjye wakiremeye.
Not gonna let you kill him.
Ntabwo nakwemera kugira ngo umwice. Magnus wanjye.
Oh, I'm not gonna kill him.
Ntabwo ngiye kumwica ariko.
Not yet.
Ariko ku ruhande ntabwo ngiye kumwica Magnus.
Where are the boys?
Abandi basore bari.
Are they?
Barimo indani. Kandi bafashwe.
Come in.
OMG, we just hit 220.
Sasa hakuno namwe ati
223.
mwana tuko dufite views ibihumbi 223 mwana. 200 biri kubakurikira kuri YouTube. 223 mwana.
Shut up about your channel. We need
Ibiciro bya bya fake mwana.
eyes on Bill 6.
Bantu menye sasa inzu ziregeranye hakuno zizigera kuri 6.
How about you start by telling me exactly how
Sasa ruko bakuwambwira niba koko wakiremye.
you made him?
You tell him anything,
Ukambira uburyo wakiremyemo.
Jake.
Ntugire ikintu mubwira Jake.
Leave him alone.
Then
Bantu reke Magnus wenyine iriya dinozoro wenyine.
tell me how you made it.
Mbwira uburyo wakiremyemo.
I can't remember.
Ntabwo byibuka.
Can't remember.
Ntabwo byibuka.
No.
Fungura aho.
How you made it?
Ni gute wakiremye?
Somewhere in that little head
Bira sasa gakora muri mutwe wawe hari ahantu.
of yours is the answer.
Harimo ibisubizo nkeneye.
One way or another, I will get it out of you.
Sasa aho ndaza kubona kushuba ubundi buryo ndaza kubona amenye birimo indani muri wowe.
Come on.
Cyukora gikanguka.
I remember.
Ndabyibutse. Ndabyibutse.
Magnesium,
Magnesium. Nagiye avanga.
hydrogen, sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium byo nagiye mvanga byose.
Something else.
Kwamaze mbwira ikidasanzwe mu kinga. Nakana gatore cyakana. Yeah.
Shake.
A protein shake. 2 years of R&D in the stabilizing.
Imyaka ibiri.
The protein shake.
Kandi kuba nakubikana ibi byose ko nako byabaye. Kana gato kana bikoze.
Enzyme.
Ni ibintu byoroshera. Niba neza abwira muganga hakuno n'ibijya mbere.
We have what we need to start.
Yuko banamenye ni kimwe mu kirimbure. Birimbure. Yeah. Cyo bavuga kurimbura kurane cyakangutse kare. Cyakangutse kare. Cya dinozoro cyakangutse. Kandi bakirakasha. Dinozoro bayirakasha ni nini? Ni mister.
OMG, did you just see that? We just hit 9.
Biri gucara ivumba mama. Hey! Live biri gucaho.
Come on, boy.
Basana bose. Yeah. Fana babishije kuri live YouTube. Yeah. Cyari cyuma cy'umuzungu. Dinozoro hakuno dinozoro irakurikira.
They don't leave the base.
Yeah. Nabizi ntago nizo ko bacika hakuno. Muri base hakuno ntago nizo ko bayicika. Yeah. Hey. Dinozoro irakurikira. So barakurikira. Yeah. Hey. Dinozoro nini. Nini cyane. Dinozoro. Hey. Hado. Hado. Yeah. Irazi kurikira umwana. Tambika imodoka iki kiragongana kinini kintu. Ikintu ni kinini. Ni kinini. Magnus ngwino kurikira. Komeza kurikira Magnus. Yeah. Magnus yarakurikiye. Use gukurikira. Magareke kurasa. Yeah. Kugera kuno Magnus yakomeje. Kandi nyuma yayo hari abasirikare. Magnus byageze neza. Yo. Yo ku ruhande.
Hey, Mikey.
Yewe.
Dude, what are you doing here? Come on.
Urakuri cyakora. Tugende twendere hakuno tuvako tugende.
Soil.
Yeah.
Magnus, come on.
Magnus ngwino.
Boy, come over here.
Ngwino mwana musore. Aya magana kuri Magnus gusa Magnus yakurikiye. Yeah. Yanze kuva kuno.
Come on, boy.
Ageza kuyitabara ariko wapi? Ngwino musore. Yeah. Imodoka hakuno z'abasirikare zakwamye. Zakwamye hakuno. Payo! Subirayo! Bari kwirasa hakuno, bari kwirasa. Yambara imodoka. Kinga sana. Abaginga. Buranda siki.
Come on, boy.
Ngwino musore. Yeah. Nisubiye gutabara bari kwirasa.
Hurry.
Jack tugende twihute. Yeah.
Come, boy.
Ngwino musore.
Come on, right here.
Yeah. byagenze neza ku bandi.
Come on, Jake.
We need to go.
Come on.
Reka dufite kugenda.
Come here, come.
Ntugere nanjye. Ya. Magnus. Magnus nashaka kugenda. Bisa nkaho ibona ko iri guteza umwana imikasiro. Yafashe umwanzuro kutagenda. Magnus. Ya.
Just go.
Ya. Rwanda umwana akimara kugenda hakurura Magnus nayo inakurikira. Dore umugasinya irindi cyane. Binjiye amashyamba. Sirikare barazenguruka. Colonel Rodriguez.
You're asked for kidnapping conspiracy. You have the right to...
Officer, you out of your jurisdiction.
Sasa hakuno nk'abofisiye bose akazi mwagakuweho. Inshingano zavuyeho. Hakuno sasa birasa nkaho sasa muri abapfu.
Case of your word against the government. That's where you're wrong.
Bisa nkaho sasa ibyo gukora byose bisa nkaho biri kurwanya leta. Ngiye ibyo nkora byose nagira ngo mbarinde bibi. Wibeshye cyane.
It's your word against the government.
Ahubwo niwe uri kurwanya amategeko ya leta cyangwa uri kurwanya ibyo leta yashizeho.
You want to prosecute me? Take a shot.
Sasa hakuno mafata hakuno. Ikinga munabarasa.
Here saves lives, your lives. While you sleep at night, safe and warm in your little beds, I protect you from monsters.
Yeah, nkora uko nshoboye kose mukarya mufite amahoro mugatekana nkabarinda inyamaswa.
Monsters.
Inyamaswa za nyazo kandi.
Monsters that would devour the very freedoms you take for granted.
You're the monster, Roderick. You've endangered the lives of everyone in this town.
Roderick, inyamaswa ni wowe Roderick.
Danger. And here, I am the government.
Ariko njyewe ni njyewe government. Chikorye kirakoro newe biribe.
I'll kill hundreds more to get my work into the field. As I said, it's your word against the government.
Ni urwanya government.
I am the government.
Ariko burya ni ngiye government. Muri make kurwanya urwanya government. Muri make uri kurwanya uri kurwanya leta. Kubera ko ni leta. Ni leta.
Wrong again, idiot.
Wongera ibeshye Chikorye.
It's your word against 5.
Uko bivuze ko ni wari kurwanya leta. Uri kurwanya isa ahubwo.
4 million viewers on my live.
Akakanya miliyoni zigera kuri 5 z'amavisi ziragukurikiye. Miliyoni 5.
Screwed, buddy.
Muri make kakubayeho. Sasa bisa nkaho sasa hakora bashobora bavumbura yuko Colonel Rodriguez yari yapangaga ibyerekeye n'iterabwoba avuga ko azarema ibinyamaswa akazazikanyisha abaturage ababika mu bwoba. Ariko turacyakora iperereza. Hari abandi bana bakunze uko bashoboye kose bagaragaje uyu mugabo. Sasa dore nakaze ngo nayibere hakuno.
No, ma'am.
Umva.
Wasn't no catfish.
Nago twafata iriya ntago yari ifi turabizi. Ahubwo cyari kidasanzwe. Cyari kidasanzwe ntago yari ifi isanzwe. Cyari kidasanzwe. Ntago yari ifi isanzwe. Ntago yari catfish.
Oh, it's time to let.
We've been asa kuno. Kano baramufashe nase kumufata. Azira gutera ubwoba abaturage no kuba yagereza ko yari ibindi bivejuru. Kureba ibintu by'ibinyamaswa kazirikanyisha abaturage. Yeah.
OMG, check it out.
Susumane samwana.
$5,200.
Man, miliyoni sasa hakuno. Ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari mwana.
That's awesome.
Mwana uko nagatangaza mwana. Tugiye kubakira mwana kumbe sasa ya mabizi yose. Babonye sasa ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari.
Check it out. $5,200.
Ibihumbi 5 by'amadolari mwana.
We're rich.
Turakize mwana. Tugiye yewe Abi ari hano injiramo indani Abi.
I gotta go.
Yeah. Charles, nafite kubonanye. Sura munyo man.
We're going to the forest.
Man, bite mwana. Tugiye ko twasura mu ishyamba sinabi man. Papa. Yeah. Wasura mu ishyamba. Kumbe kurani na kiri cyabaye. Kwenda gukira kisi yabonye gufuta kase. Nabonye gufuta kase. Yo. Bakiri umwana bari kumwe. Sini byamugendekeye neza. Byagenze neza. Yeah. Nakindi cyaba kuhande kurigera filime. Turagenda gute? Hakuno harakandi kaje hako. Kumbe kwandika amaguresi hako kari kagarutse kabagire. Maguresi mwana wo.
Is that you?
Yo mwana. Maguresi regezana n'amababa mwana. Yewe ni jewe mwana. Si kiraba. Maguresi.
No way.
Regezana n'amababa Maguresi. Nabone buryo mwana. Maguresi ari igurukira regenera Maguresi. Yasanye n'amababa. Bigaragara nkaho Maguresi nawe yarakiri unagari yaye mu kiwe. Nakindi cyabaye uwababwiye urukagenze mwakoze kuza yarinde yamwe Sankara and Williams kuri saa ku yindi turabakunda cyane saka gusa nakandi karacyaza filime zirahari urumva filime zirahari mwa bantu mwe mucikwe nagakurikira buryo gwenga iherezo ni herezo end byashotse byarangiye yanyuna yariye natarayanzayarya ciao nabakunda cyane yari igitinyiro rutikanga rutavugirwamo papa bwenye uturu tw'ubwenge nabakunda cyane ciao ushaka kumenya ibirenze kumenya udufilime dushyashya tuba dusohoka jya kuri YouTube yawe ntabwo ari ngombwa ngo utegereze filime zisohoke hoya YouTube filime ziriho urumva ciao nabakunda cyane andikamo agasobanuye Sankara the Future cyangwa agasobanuye William the Future kandi ugenda kuri Instagram yawe Sankara the Future and William the Future ya amakuru yose uyafite ku gihe ya ciao